Croeso i'r
Hello.
stream. Croeso i'r stream, pawb. O, sut ydi pawb heno? Croeso i'r stream, Nicol. Sut ydi ti heno? Sut yw'r stream ti'n mynd, Emrys?
Eisiau chwarae Switch 2. Ond
Ie.
eisiau sylweddoli fydda craco, fydda non isio fel gato capture cards.
O.
Ac Switch 2. Ond ddo,
Ie.
nes i ffigur allan sydd wedi sortio bath, a nes i reid o fyny yn yr Elgato Reddit.
Nice.
So, dwi officially, oedd y boi gynta na sortio issue really specific efo'r PCIe card HD 60 Pro card.
Nice.
Oedd yn output o'n 480p. Fi na sortio hwnna. So, os ydych chi'n ffeindio Reddit post am 10 years.
Claim to fame, claim to fame.
Claim to fame fi.
Yeah.
Wedi sortio issue.
Nice.
Ond na, Hello Switch.
Yeah.
O'n i, dwi'n meddwl ni siarad chdi hyn ddiweddar. O'n i dim bod o games, ond jyst bach yn stagnant, eisiau fath newydd i eitha fi. So,
Yeah.
dwi'n meddwl bod y Switch ma, dwi wedi cael y hit dwi eisiau fan.
Oh, hwnna'n good.
A wedyn, ie, am yn
Hwnna'n
eistedd.
good.
So,
Croeso i'r stream, Cyanthus.
so dwi'n dangos dyn nhw fo
Yeah. Ooh.
ar y stream, fel a. Hefyd, cyn i fi reidio chdi, nes i profi fod y gem Cymraeg ar Switch. Gath i wneud gan ein cyfaill ni Morgan.
Hey.
Mae Dicey Dungeon ar gael ar y Switch.
Hey, Morgan mewn y chat, dyna ti, Morgan? Gwaith gael y ti fyna?
Mae gem chdi ar y Switch... Mae ar y Switch 1 hefyd, ond dim ots byna. It's a Switch 2 game. Mae gan ti'n official Switch 2 game man. So... Dwi'n meddwl bod hwn wedi gem i iaith Cymraeg ar y Nintendo, dwi'n meddwl?
Ie. Ydy'r game cyntaf iaith Cymraeg ar Nintendo?
Hwn ydy'r unig gem efo'r iaith Cymraeg yna fo.
Oh.
Dwi'n reid siwr.
That's pretty cool.
Dwi'n sad da. Ond i bai, mae Made of Scare yna fo. Dwi'n hwnna fo rhywbeth? Mae'n meddwl na di.
Na, Made of Scare ddim. Neu ydi e?
Ie, dwi'n gwybod. Chys ti'n gwybod
Sain-
na fi.
Ie.
Yr
Dwi'n methu cofio.
un peth, un top tip Emrys, de. Paidwch o cael welcome tour. Mae fatha'r demo. To'n fatha Wii Sport i Nintendo Wii.
Ar wefan yn chwarae, mae yna options yna.
Ie, mae-
Gemau fideo Cymraeg, ydi Made of Scare yna?
O,
Ie, mae yn,
Minecraft.
apparently. Mae yn, Meg.
Oce. So mae hwnna yna hefyd, ta?
Ie. Os mae unrhyw un yn y chat yn gwybod am gemau arall sydd mewn Cymraeg, gael ni wybod a bydd ni'n updateo'r
yna.
list hyn ar y wefan.
Dwi'n meddwl bod Java console editions o Gymraeg na di. Dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n meddwl Java
Java.
version.
Java yn.
Java yn ydy byd arall yn, ie?
Ddim siŵr, ddim siŵr am Bedrock. Meddwl mae Bedrock yn. Notepad++, hwnna'n cael Cymraeg. Rwy'n
Yndi, hwnna-
ffeindio hwnna allan.
O'n i'n neud
Ie?
apps yn Company Portal Intune gwaith. Oedd Notepad++ yn o'n i'n neud.
Nice.
Hwna yn pigo fyny iaith. Ni di'r
Ie.
unig cyngor / cwmni yn y byd sy'n gorfodi y Gymraeg gyntaf Shians ni. Sy'n, fatha IT person dwi absolutely lyfio.
Nice.
Dim yn stress o gwbl. Ond...
Ie.
Ie. Ond cyn ni fynd, i'r gwachio hwn, de. Dyma
Oh, wow.
size difference.
A mae'n eitha fwyaf na'r Switch 1. Kind of fwy curvy hefyd. Viewer discretion is advised.
Dyna fo, oce. Dwi'n mwyn beth i ddweud am y Switch, ddweud o wedyn. I'r sain bod dim yn iawn ar y stream.
Edrych fel e. Mae'n edrych fel mae'n oce o'r ochr fi. Perffaith. Hei.
The creator of the Game Awards, Jeff Keighley.
O, dyna'r boi.
Ww!
Wow. Suit dywyll efo statement shoes yn hoffi hwnna.
Disgwyl, pa chi'n disgwyl e? Na games, disgwyl e.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to Summer
Melon.
Game Fest, a showcase to celebrate what's new and next in video games. Now, every year, we have the distinct honor of coming together to spotlight the boundless creativity that
Die
defines our
Doritos
industry.
poop van het
Thank you all for joining us and giving us your time.
appearance.
Doritos.
Special thanks to
Dat
Dante. I was
meme
reading
wel,
my feed
Doritos
this
poop.
morning and
Nah.
saw that he canceled a date and he hopes I don't disappoint him. Dante, we're going to do our best to make it worth your while. We have a really fun show ahead. Over the next 2 hours, we're going to give you a whirlwind tour of dozens of games from studios big and small. From Lego bricks to puppets, zombies to Marvel heroes, this show has a little bit of everything, including, yes, some brand new game announcements. Gotta have some of those. Now, before we dive into the excitement, let's take a moment to recognize just how dynamic our industry has become. Here's a look at the top 10 selling new games on Steam so far in 2025 by units, according to Game Discover Co.
Oh. Hey,
Oh, that-
Oblivion.
Now, the list includes beloved franchises, but sitting
Ooh.
proudly at number 1
Civ
with
7,
over
them
13
and great
million
game.
sold
Civ 7,
since
them and great
February
game.
is Repo, a groundbreaking
Wat Repo
indie
en even
game
Hoyle?
crafted by
Ah,
a
nah,
passionate
die
team
pijt.
of
Du love
just
your Civ.
10
Du goed point, du love your
people at
Civ.
Semiwork in
Yeah.
Uppsala, Sweden.
Schedule one.
Closely trailing it is Schedule
Die
1.
die
Schedule
Morgan
one,
half
yeah.
uur.
Ja, er geen big schedule guys in daar.
It's inspiring that these
Nee,
indie
niet door de-
creations
niet door de values,
stand
Jan.
side by side with
In
heavyweights
pros.
like Monster Hunter Wild and the Oblivion remake. Absolutely. Now let's also
Ook swing
applaud
weird.
Claire Obscure from Sandfall.
Beetje Cryspit Fiction hefyd, Morgan.
Okay.
Kant.
They might get some
Omdat
more praise at the
hierin-
end of the year. We're not there yet, but it is a monumental achievement, earning the highest user Metacritic score
Mousestream
ever
is in.
recorded for a game, all from a
Oh.
team of
Oh,
under
nee.
30
Die weer stemmen
developers
spelen.
who bravely stepped away from big publishers to forge their own path.
Prima prijs.
One
Doe maar weer
thing
de
is
Split
clear.
Fiction
With digital
Xbox Game
distribution
Pass nog
and
gedaan.
engines like Unreal, today's most innovative projects increasingly emerge from outside the traditional publisher system. And that's something to celebrate. But with more than
What?
18,000 games released on Steam just last year, more than double from 2020, the challenge now is discovery. And that's precisely why events like Summer Game Fest, our partner showcases happening all weekend long, and initiatives like the Steam Next Fest are so essential. These events help remarkable
is
games,
sale, maar
big
Xbox
and
stuff.
small, find their audiences.
Oh, yeah?
And hopefully, if you're
Yeah.
watching this show, you'll
De
discover
PS
your next favorite
PlayStation
game.
5 wat dood daar.
So, in that spirit, let's
James
kick
Bond
off
Yeah.
nieuwe.
the game
We
with
have-
an
we
independent
gaan koffie
studio
halen.
who is
En ik wil
thinking
gaan
very
Oblivion,
big.
dat weet ik niet.
In 2017, 4 developers broke away from
Alright, carry
AAA
good old
publishers
James Bond
to
game.
chart their own course. Today,
Nightfire,
they're a thriving
wat is er weer
independent
gaan?
studio
Yeah.
of 30
Oh, dus
Nightfire,
gewoon in
good,
What
Xbox.
you're
Nightfire.
about
Ja,
to see is
gewoon
a
in game
powerful
erin.
testament to what passion,
Hmm.
freedom,
Ik het heeft
and
toch.
a small
Really half
dedicated
the
team
Nightfire.
can achieve. Let's take a look
Right,
at our
right.
first new game
Everything
announcement.
or Nothing Recarrying.
Ja, PS2.
Yeah, in Pierce Brosnan. In the Everything or Nothing
Maar ja,
Recarrying.
we kunnen wel daar. We kunnen wel Let's Watch GoldenEye met die dat.
Ah.
YouTube wat zien sync.
Oh, kind of cool.
Fuck dan. Oh, dus just Elden Ring.
Yeah. Actually, kind of Elden Ring.
Timelijk Elden Ring games na. Timelijk Dark Souls
Re-
games na.
Reisha, ond... Ravine...
Doe maar de Dark Souls nieuwste.
Yeah, mae gen i Dark Souls. Wedi
Dwi heb
prynu
cael-
fe cyn nhw'n dilisto fe.
Dwi lyfio fo. Ond dwi heb di cael Elden Ring newydd ma. Just cos mae bob un article di, paid, os ti'n solo player, paid o chwarae fo. Basically,
Ie.
os ti ddim efo ffrindiau i chwarae fo, paid o gael o.
It's like, Rivian... Guns? Oh my god.
Mae'n
Fi yn-
unashamedly Dark Souls-ish.
Mae Rivian trio chwarae Elden Ring pryd rwy'n dod allan.
Yeah.
Ond roedd y performance pryd rwy'n dod allan.
Oedd o'n awful.
A roedd y ffaith oedd ddim yn ultra-wide, I was like, give up.
Hwna'n atgoffa fi o Ebony Blade. Ebony Blade. Game nath Epic wneud just ar iPhones ac iPad Touch.
Oh.
A di random fact y day fi.
Mortal Shell
Hwn-
2.
hwn-
Okay, mae ddim yn...
O,
Rwy'n fi meddwl, like, mae'n y guns mewn i.
Yna Mortal Shell 1 hefyd, lle.
Yeah. Wedi clywed am hwnna.
Right, I'll sign up
Didn't that look
now.
great? Well, we got lots more to come, but right
Throw in
now,
wow.
the end, the Nexus War,
Wow.
Galactus fight, or even
Ti'n
live
dwi ar y
and
gin and
risky
tonic, so
reels.
nice.
Over the years,
If you chat and
Fortnite has innovated
gin
with
and tonic yn good.
mass-scale
Mae'n just gen i
live
Pepsi.
in-game
Max.
events. And tomorrow,
You
Fortnite
chat
is set
and
to
dweud
do
ar-
again
ar
across
y
console, PC, and
Fortnite.
phone. The Death Star's super laser is charged and ready to
Fortnite.
decimate the Battle Royale island.
Yeah.
But there's still
Oh,
hope.
ni'n siarad am
You and
Fortnite.
your friends
Pam
can
oedd
join the
pam oedd
fight. Here's
pob
the
yn chwarae
first
Battlefield
exclusive
2
look
wan?
at what you'll be part
Pam,
of
ydy
tomorrow
pam
with
yna
a
mi yn
brand
wan?
new live
Dim
event,
clem, ond rydw i yn chwarae
Death
mynd
Star
nôl mewn i fe.
Sabotage.
Ac mae'n
A
dal
pob yn?
friggin' amazing. Yeah, mae'n class.
Oh, pam? So beth di... So beth...
Dim clem, like,
Disney
rwy'n-
dod allan?
Na. Dim byd, mae heb cael ei update am, like, dau blynedd. Mae'n meddwl rwy'n just pobl yn just dechrau chwarae fe Fortnite event. Amazing game, mae'r Ewok Hunt yn more atmospheric.
Fortnite dwn, ie.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
Dwi'n chwarae Fortnite dipyn.
Think I saw Jonesy.
Rwy'n heb
All
chwarae
right.
fe am, like, wythnosau
Right
na.
now, it is
Probably
an
efo ti
honor to
efo
welcome
tro
to
dechrau
Summer
fi.
Game
Yeah,
Fest a
sure, yeah.
legendary game creator who is set to release his latest project in just a few short
Ooh.
weeks. With each of his games, he pushes the gaming medium in bold new directions, and we are
Ti'n gwybod ni
honored
chwarae
to have him
X
with us for the
Defiant
first
chydig yn
time
ôl?
at Summer Game
Oh, yeah,
Fest in
rip.
person. Please
Yeah,
join
man, yes.
me in welcoming
Mae wedi bod
the
gymaint o
great
disaster.
Mr. Hideo
Mae'r boi oedd
Kojima.
arfer rhedeg cod nath wneud y gem
Yeah.
yna'n gadw y games industry.
Oh, rip, bro.
O, hyd ag...
Hideo Kojima!
O'n i'n meddwl os hwn yn sa diwedd o.
Great to see you.
Dwi'n cyfaint, mae'n y ffrindiau mor agos,
Here we
oedd ti'n
are,
angen
the
translator i
World
ddweud
Tour
be
begins at Summer
ma'n
Game
dweud.
Fest. It's great to have you here. We are so excited for DS2.
Dwi'n dilyn Hideo Kojima ar social media, ond hefyd dwi'n dilyn personal assistant o. Mae lot fwy ffynnu dilyn personal assistant o. Cos mae'n just neud edrych fatha massive dweeb.
Well, we hit the pandemic after we released DS1. Everyone experienced the pandemic.
Dyn ni'n fans o
I wanted
Death
to
Stranding
show
1 yma,
something
dan.
new
I
Dyn ni'n big
Dwi'n
Death
big
Stranding
fan.
fans yna.
after
Dwi'n big fan o
we
Death Stranding
faced
1.
the pandemic, so I
Yeah,
want
good.
everyone you to think about that when you play this game.
Okay, well,
Heb gorffen
talking
eto.
about playing the game, it's coming out later this month.
What?
Right
Sech
now,
ti
I know
rasio?
you prepared
I
a
know,
special
we heb
exclusive
gorffen e.
clip for
Rwy'n-
SGF. Let's take a
Rwy'n
look at
arfer
this.
ffordd i Mountain Knot City ar y foment. Dwi wedi adeiladu'r hel holl ffordd lawr i'r
Ie.
South Knot City.
Dwi eisiau gofyn pa bit o stori ti, ond dwi'n gwybod os wneud rhywbeth fydd yn spoilio bit arall sy'n neud ddim dweud o.
Dwi'n like...
Oedd yr Metal Gear Solid 3 yn dechrau dda yn y
Yeah.
PlayStation. Hynna pan dwi heb di ail streamio Metal Gear Solid 3 greiddiol, cos dwi'n gwneud hwnna, dwi'n meddwl.
Hmm. Fair.
Over here, please.
Pa famous actor di o? Mae o'n met Hideo Kojima o'n.
Pwy, sorry?
Mae o wastad yn ei met efo fatha... Dwi'n mynd met efo A-listers na di. Mae'n met efo just o dan A-listers na di.
Yeah.
So you are Neil Vana.
Mae'n cael lot of like good actors around the game.
What do you do
Impressive. Like pawb yn just like...
for living?
Just like Hideo Kojima, just like, oh, ti eisiau bod mewn y game Hideo Kojima? I'm like, yes,
Look
come on,
at
let's
man.
go.
Ie. Ond ti di gweld, tad yr un cynt, game cynt, ond interview'r dau main actor. Oedd yna fo.
Yeah.
A mae'r main actor, tad yr un boi da standing i hyn.
Yeah.
Mae o'n dweud, dwi'n gwybod beth ffwcs mynd ymlaen hanner amser bod dwi'n yna, ond mae'n laff bod to dwi'n yna. Mae lle off the fucking... So, mae'n nuts, ond sa neb... Mae'n nuts, drugs a booze nuts, mae'n just fatha... nerdy nuts. A mae'n fatha, dwi'n gwybod beth ffwcs mynd ymlaen, ond dwi... Mae'r vibes yn iawn. Hynny di fatha wastad thing bod bod so.
Class. Norman Reedus
Really
ydy
don't
o'i fe.
remember me.
Ie.
Rhyfe'n mynd i bod yn yr, the Silent Hill game, mae fe?
Oedd, oedd o.
Ie.
Project F, ie?
Nath cofio'r enw fe. Rwy'n dal cael y demo ar y
O,
PS4 fi. PT demo.
PT.
Ie. Rwy'n dal cael
Oh
e
my
ar y
God.
PS4 fi, so you know. Gall gwerthio na am, like, can't pint in the future. Rhywbeth.
Dwi'n siŵr mynd rhywun, ti'n gallu rhedeg PS4 games ar
Mm.
machines, dwi'n siŵr mynd rhywun di ni rhywbeth o'r.
Ie, ydy unrhyw un wedi dumpo PT demo.
Faint o itch.io Unity engine rip-offs o hwnna sy'n nhw.
Billions.
Billions, yeah.
Tell us a little bit more about this clip. And
We're just
the
eisiau
characters
Flappy
Neil
Bird
was
and all.
まあ、DS で非常に重要なキ
In
ャラクタ
DS2,
ーです。
it's a very important character,
ニールとルーシー。
Neil and
で、
Lucy.
まあ、ちょっと詳しくは言えませんけ
I
ど、
can't really say because there'll be spoilers.
手にカニ座の刻印が
You
2人ある
saw the cancer
Pam dangos o ta?
in both of their hands.
Dangos actors, dwi'n siŵr, ie.
Have this deep connection
関わってきます。
and reveals
で前回
throughout the
ク
story.
リフっていう人気
Dwi'n gwisgo'r un stickers ac o'n lliw.
We have Cliff,
で
who was
物語
played
の
by
あ
彼はもう
na.
Of course, by story, you know.
Na, di Adidas is ar chwith, ie.
Ie.
But this time, Neil
Di pob yn y chat yn fan o Death Stranding, ti'n ddechrau meddwl bod o'n stupid.
Well,
for DS2 this
まあ、ク
time.
リフすごい人気
Dwi'n lyfio Death Stranding, cos fod o'n stupid.
キャラク
But
タ
I
ーを
think
作ろうとして、まあ、ルカさん
We
に
have
お
to
願い
kind of
Show
like
us
top
Fred
that
Bear.
character. So Luca Marinetti was a great
Persona
actor,
4
and
remake,
I think
please.
it
Yeah.
worked great. He did a great
Resident Evil
performance,
9.
so I think you'll like this new character, Neil, too.
Dwi'n edrych ymlaen ddim dall
Well,
beth
the
os
game's
yn
gonna be
ymlaen
out
hwn.
in 20 days, so
Yeah.
I'm not going to give any spoilers, you know. That's
I know.
what I brought today.
20
But there is
days?
more
What?
to share,
Oh, wow.
and, you won't have to wait very long.
Dim July oedd o. Falle
Learn
June
more
oedd
about the
o,
game,
lle?
actually, this Sunday,
No.
as part of Summer Game Fest. You tune
Dwi
in
ddim
to
yn chwarae
the
Switch 2
live
version o
game
hwnna.
premiere, where Hideo
Hey,
will
mae
be
Switch 2
joined by
version o
many members of
Cyberpunk yn
the
dod
cast
allan.
who'll be sharing
Allan,
a
mae
demo
di
of the
number
game,
3
a
game
live gameplay
yn y
demo,
chat
alongside
yn
Elfan
y
Yeah.
and Brett
siop.
Baker, and I'll be there
Sut yn y
hosting it.
byd wedi, like, cael hwnna'n
Apparently mae'n
gweithio
oce,
ar
ie,
Switch 2?
mae ddim... Mae o'n tebycach i fatha'r PS4 version.
のゲームプレイシーンっていうのを
Yes,
出し
I'll
ます
show you
Yeah,
the
rwy'n
gameplay
darllen.
Mae'n
scene.
yna,
見に来てください
So hope you
Rwy'n
enjoy,
dilyn rhywun
will
o sy'n,
join us
or like a
Sunday
dev
too.
team neu
Excellent.
rhywbeth.
All right. Thank you so much. Hideo
Ar Twitter,
Kojima, everyone.
ar nhw'n
Great
dweud
to see
bod
you,
nhw
Mr.
like,
Kojima.
rwy'n
Thank
angen
you.
ail adeiladu roi darn o'r
All
gêm
right,
just
and
i cael
now
ei
I'd like to
gweithio.
introduce my co-host for Summer Game Fest. She's along for the
Switch.
party.
Yeah.
A veteran
Yeah,
game
June
journalist
26th,
on
mae'n dweud.
GameSpot and the co-host
Ooh.
of the Friends Per Second
Death Stranding
podcast.
2.
Please join me in welcoming the incredible Lucy James.
Kind of like scary or like
James!
soon. Mae'n dod allan.
Oedd hi'n Giants Bomb tan ddiwedd o.
Oh, Giant Bomb, yeah.
And hello,
Yeah,
Summer
man, yeah,
Game
man.
Fest. I am so excited.
Rest in peace, Giant
to be
Am
here
hi
this
met
year.
efo...
Thank you for
Bydd y boi
having me.
Cymraeg nes yn stwff
Now,
video games.
we are honored to reveal an exciting new project from Raw Power Games.
Dwi'n
New
awful
team
yn siarad am-
headquartered in
enwau.
Copenhagen,
Ti'n gwybod dwi'n siarad am?
Here
Yeah,
the
yr un
team
sydd wedi
will
gwneud stwff
teams
efo
combat,
Morgan.
fight
Yn,
for
like, interview.
land, glory, and
Ella,
legacy,
ie. Oedd
and
o'n gweithio
lead
IGN.
massive armies into
Dwi'n siŵr mae'n
epic-scale
ffrindiau
battles.
reit da o hon.
As narrated
Hon,
by
oedd o'n really
Rhywbeth-
good.
Tom
Fel
Holland.
Lucy.
Ddim rhywbeth Humphreys?
Rhywbeth Gavin beth yda? Gaf o beth yda.
Gav.
Anyway, dim ots, dim byd i ddifn. Shout out i'r boi really famous na, ddim yn cofio enw. Mae o'n RG... Mae o'n... Ia, dwi'n gwybod. Dwi'n mynd i gesio yma. Gav Murphy, diolch Morgan.
Ah. Oeddi hyn... Na,
Kingdom
ddim.
Deliverance 2, dwi'n, ie? Oce.
Ie. Dyna beth rwy'n fi'n meddwl.
So dwi'n mynd i chwarae hwnnw. Dwi'n sycr am medieval era stuff.
A fi. O, edrych ar armor, like. Rwy eisiau... Rwy'n mynd i bian a set o'r armor. Rhywbryd yn...
Mae'n ar Team You.
Like-
Ti'n prynu ar Team You.
Like
Dwi 'di
proper
gweld ar Team
metal
You. Ie,
armor.
proper, metal.
Really?
Alright.
Imagine just cael rhywbeth fel yna. Just gwisgo fe rownd y tŷ, like, you know. Agor o drws i'r postman.
Ys chi'n mynd i'r ond dy hun nesa?
Be?
Ys chi'n mynd i'r ond dy hun nesa?
No. You cael, like,
O, ydy hwn oedd modaw newydd neu beth i'r llall? Chivalry rhywbeth. Ie.
Medieval Chronicles.
Chronicles Medieval.
Oh. Cool. Edrych cool.
That was a very cool new
Cool.
project
So you
from
wish
a
to steal, so
brutal
go a bit, yeah.
European medieval world. Now it's time to hang on to the edge of tomorrow.
Be di o?
Sonic
Di o'n
Racing
RTS?
Crossworlds is a thrilling
Di o'n-
entry in the legacy of racing
Yes,
games
Sonic
within
Racing,
Sonic
let's go.
franchise. Crossworlds
Dwi'n
brings
teimlo'n
other
ffwl yn
worlds
cael
of
yr,
familiar faces
pethau
to
newydd.
Sonic Racing, including
Chronicles
surprise guest
Americat.
characters being
RPG
revealed
sandbox,
here
mae'n
at
dweud.
SGF for the first time.
Medieval strategy and RPG sandbox.
Okay. I wish to steal. Chwarae teg nhw'n trio yn y hyn a America olia. Mae... Dwi'n licio, mae Sega wedi adfywio dwi'n meddwl, a mae Sega'n cool on.
Yeah, yeah.
Dwi'n rhoi penni ar bloc, mae Sega'n cool on.
Nhw'n dod nôl. Miku!
Dod nôl. Paid, nes i...
Oh,
Ti'n
yeah.
brom prynu... Ti'n brom prynu... Ar Switch 2.
Yeah.
O, Ichiban.
Hey! Can cael yn nawr.
Ai, dwi'n gwa. Nes i brom prynu... Game ti'n Miku. Which dwi efo...
Yeah.
A PS4 a Steam yn barod.
Ti'n gael chwarae fe ar y go? Ar y go efo Switch?
Na. Dwi'n fawr song packs i gyd ar y ddau.
Yeah.
Mae'n gyfeint 100 hours ar PS4. Mae'n gyfeint 45 minutes ar y Steam, so...
Coming in September, but that is not
Ond dysyn ni...
all.
O ie, sy'n chwarae mwy
We'd
son.
like to introduce the man behind the creation of everyone's favorite blue hedgehog, Takashi Iizuka.
Thank you, Jeff. I'm
It's a
honored
minute,
to
wonder.
be here to talk about our latest Sonic Racing game. Sonic Racing Crossworld is the next generation
Dim
of
fod,
the
dim
Sonic
easy.
Racing series,
Dim fod i'r...
developed by Sonic Team
Ydyn nhw 'di
and the
retconio
Sega
hanes?
Arcade Racing Team.
Sonic.
You can
What?
have a brand new
ddim yn
experience
gwybod
on
y
the new future
history
for
Sonic.
building, which you
Sonic.
can warp in the race. Also, unlike another kart
Ie,
racing
o'n i'n
game,
meddwl, dim... Oedd o'm yn...
this game will have online cross-platform matchmaking. So you can race against all of your friends across all of the platform. Lastly, I have one more thing I'd like to show everyone
Nuts
here
o...
today.
Ie, Yuji Naka nath
Inside of
fucking
the
Sonic.
factory.
Oh my god.
Mae yna tri listed ar y Wikipedia. Oh yeah! Minecraft!
Ys ti'n gwybod pobl yn wow, on.
Wow!
Griffin yn gastro mention soon.
Hell yeah! Insta-buy.
Minecraft and Sonic. I guess you could say you gotta go craft. Well, I gotta laugh. That's all I want. That's all I want. Next, we're excited to reveal a brand new action RPG from Bandai Namco Studios. Embark on a journey across a dark fantasy world and uncover a vast story that eclipses time.
Ooh.
Sgwynnu'r blurbs i'r games, ma.
No, angen
Fatha
gwneud nhw
white
swnio, like,
noise i fi,
really
sli.
cool. Yeah.
Fatha white noise i fi. Mae'n gormod o...
Devil May Cry ydy hyn.
Mae'n gormod o Devil May Cry gothic
Yeah.
sword fighting games yn bodoli.
Yeah.
It heals.
Mae'n edrych fel Fortnite. Like, art style ar y gwyneb fe. Dwi'n meddwl fi yna.
Mae'n edrych fatha Genshin Impact.
Yeah.
And for our world, it promises only oblivion.
Oblivion Gate.
Oh, Oblivion Gate. When we did
Oh
Doctor
my
Strange
god, di'r
portal.
Oblivion Kisses dal i fynd. Oh my god.
Oh, mae'n cool, like a... Mae'n edrych... Hwna'n just edrych fel, like,
Oh,
Fortnite.
it's cheap.
Pam ydi yn edrych more
Mae'n
weird?
Chinese.
You have
Mae'n edrych Chinese video game.
all of this.
Ond mae'n
Fatha
like a
Genshin-
monster yn edrych really cool a detailed. Beth di'r art style ar y game?
But guaranteed Chinese company with a 10 cents in on.
Yeah.
Could you undo the sins of ruin? In this time, or maybe the next, you'll find how to save us all.
Lots of hitting this.
Yeah.
Elden Rings to go by.
But art style more like weird. Yeah. And it, like Code Vein. Did he call it
Code Vein? Oh
Did
yeah.
he call it Hunter?
One of the games so wastad a favour ar Steam. Mae wastad 95% off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Apparently Code Vein 1 reads that, apparently.
Yeah.
A pobl sy'n licio fo.
I'm really lucky that.
Really licio fo.
Diddorol.
Dim byd so far bod ni eisiau prynu chi. Game Pass. So, na, okay. Gai chwarae beth byddag rwy'n eisiau. Na, dim byd eto, Morgan. Ond hefyd, dwi efo Switch on ddo, so...
Death Stranding 2.
Oh, Death Stranding 2, yeah, oh my god, yeah.
Sonic Racing, probably os rwy'n cael, like, rhywbeth sy'n cael e. 50 Sonic Racing a, ydyn just ar Nintendo neu di yna?
O, dim. Wel, mae gen i fi'r rhy hen ar Steam.
They're cool.
Mae'n gormod o monsters sy'n fatha efo dubious, sinister history a lore. Get your Wii out, Morgan.
Into the base. Hwna'n diddorol. Rwy eisiau gweld mwy o hwnna.
Aye.
That was a very moody, cool new game. That was End of Abyss, the debut title from Malmo, Sweden-based Section 9 Interactive, an atmospheric action-adventure game coming in 2026 to the Epic Games Store and consoles. Next, we're stepping into the black and white world of
Lots o
Rubber
geiriau
Hose
fanna
Simulation.
mewn un brawddeg.
Mouse
Just our Epic
AI
Games
for
Store.
Hire,
Boo.
developed by
Oh,
first-time
the thing-
developer Fumi Games,
Grow up.
published by
Sa'm
PlayStation,
byd wrong with Epic
releasing
Games
later
Store.
this year.
Mae
Here's a
Death
quick
Loop
look
am
at the
ddim
game
yn efo.
and the reveal of a familiar voice.
Ac mae Deathloop yn okay.
Something rotten
Sim
at the
joio.
heart of Mouseburg.
Ti'n bod hwnna dir, Lys?
Oh.
Oh, Cuphead. No, na, ci beth ydyn nhw'n first person shooter, na, ie.
There are those who have bent the city to their will,
Dumb wise guys and fake cheese wheels.
and those who do anything to save it.
They're cool.
They won't even know what hit them. Oh boy. Here we go.
Okay, hwnna'n edrych cool. Hwnna'n atgoffi o'r...
Hwna nath dechrau pan nath copyright Mickey Mouse dropio.
Bendy and the Ink Machine.
We've been
Have
talking
you
to them
game on
for a
that?
while
Oh,
about this
yeah.
project, which builds on their recent launches of Kill Knight and Age of Darkness. But this takes things to a whole new level. It's a premium, real-time strategy game.
Dwi'n
built
meddwl
for
dwi digon
PC
confidence
based on
i
one of the
wneud
most
Blazer
iconic
t-shirt
fantasy
combo.
franchises in the world. Any guesses? Let's take a look.
A blazer and t-shirt combo.
Ie, ti'n meddwl gwisgo Blazer a t-shirt.
Morgan, ti di rhoi dot rhwng dau geiriau a ti di linko i of.free. Beth
Oh my
yn y
God.
Pai gwasgu
Yeah,
hwnna,
neb.
neb gwasgu y link Morgan wedi rhoi fanna. Rwy methu delete o'r bloody neges.
How the game is played.
O, dwi'n mynd agor yn byd.
Okay, good.
Dwi'n mynd agor yn byd, mae'n iawn.
This
Ti just gwasgu
is
fe.
not the game you know.
Epic and rubbish, Morgan. Ooh, epic.
Dim yn hoffo. Ie, just cos ti'n methu downloadio patches.
Mae'n so slow, mae'n mor araf. Rwy'n fi'n downloadio. Rwy'n fi'n downloadio 1 gigabit a second ar Steam. A mae bloody Epic yn just like rhewi ar ôl pob like 50 meg.
Mae library Epic fi yn epic.
This is your legacy.
Ie, mae'n gynti'n iawn, mae'n awesome. As long as you're cofio'n ôl nhw. Wyt ti'n big Game of Thrones guy? Swi absolutely ddim byd am Game of Thrones.
Fi ebyst i arfer dial-up. Rwy'n cael friggin' dial-up trwy ysgol. Trio chwarae game-au, mewn ysgol. He's like, o, Owain, ni'n chwarae game newydd hyn. Lawr lwyth o fe. Oce, a rwy'n cymryd fi 2 wythnos lawr lwyth o'r game. A wedyn y ffrindiau fi fel, ni di tair o fe nawr. Cool, great, thank you.
Ti'n licio Game of Thrones?
Byth wedi gwylio fe.
Ne. Ti'n watch a 2 episode o'r season gynta.
Ie.
Ai Shadow Mordor blinking Game of Thrones, di hwn.
Game of Thrones.
Cool.
War for Westeros.
Ie, ie.
Ie, rwy'n cael literally
Ond na real-time strategy game, dwi'n
0.8 megabits download. Lan I blwyddyn... Lan I 6th form, actually. Wedyn, ar ôl 6th form, rwy'n cael 18 megabytes download.
Oh! Global...
Rwy'n
Oh,
tam...
space! Stopiwch mynd i space!
Uni, oedd fi'n cael dros 20 meg download, so...
So why do we deny other intelligent beings?
Beth ffad hwnna?
It is said
Yn, whale.
there they would have visited Earth.
Yn, brodyr o'r môr ni. Ynys.
My answer is maybe they will visit us.
Dwn.
But time has not come yet for this.
Hwna mewn edrych fel... Oh, hyn yn... Y game hwnna... Atomic Heart?
Era of atomic.
Ah, iawn.
Rwy'n dal heb chwarae'r un gyntaf.
Ie, oedd o'r gyntaf ddim fel hyn, de.
Na, rwy'n...
Oedd bach yn me.
Rwy'n, like, post-apocalyptic i fe?
Faint mae'n di talu cael eisiau can yma. Fel efo Call of Duty yn talu am cynnion. Beth o, mae'n advert yn... So lle ti'n dewis loadouts chi'n Call of Duty wan. Mae'n adverts yn fan o'n. Da, ie.
What? Mae'n adverts yn y loadout?
Oes. A dyn nath pob yn flin, apparently, a oedd dweud, o na, mistake oedd o.
The hell?
Good hunt, Captain.
Oh, strip club.
Whoa. Yeah.
Space strip club, hey.
Beth ti'n neud yn y game yma?
Dim clem. Pop F yn edrych fel.
Mae'n edrych fatha Far Cry fatha
Yeah.
vibes. As in Space Far Cry. Ys di off Far Cry yn diwedd y Morgan? Dwi'n meddwl ond chdi nath brynu hwnna'n Cymru, dwi'n meddwl.
Hwna'n edrych eitha cool. Rwy'n really angen chwarae un gyntaf, though.
Te gan wishlistio fo.
That's right. Atomic Heart 2 is in active development at Munfish on Unreal Engine 5, a spiritual successor to the first game with a retro-futuristic world on a global scale.
Spiritual
This time
successor?
with a
Spiritual successor.
RPG
Yeah, that's a fucking Final Fantasy.
But that, believe it or not,
So'n byd neu efo gyntaf lle na di.
from Munfish.
Dwi'n cofio gyntaf bod y bach yn dud.
Yeah, rwy'n cofio bod pawb yn siarad am fe pryd oedd like, a trailers yn allan, ond...
Is it
Ond oedd yn peth o gêm allan.
Yeah.
It's in the sky, a giant cube.
Whoa. Minecraft.
I can still barely believe it.
Minecraft oedd wedi... Minecraft's coming to Atomic Heart. What?
When it showed up, I was in the lab. I didn't even see it. You know? I felt that same fear, though.
In the lab, in the lab.
Terrible sense
The
of
cube.
powerlessness.
I hold your seminal ITV show, The
Fi'n
Cube.
cael cach ar o'r cube yn dod.
How did the whole of humanity miss it? And did we actually miss it? What if the cube didn't appear?
Multiplayer
but
mode.
revealed itself?
I'r llall, mae'n siŵr dde.
It was always there, and we've only just started to
The
see
Cube,
it.
yeah.
Good TV show, either.
Battle Royale hwnna, guaranteed, ie. Falle.
Oh, 100% hyn yn edrych fel Battle Royale.
What a leather.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Hey, Queen Victoria!
Mae nhw'n... Remember nhw'n, like, aim o hyn at...
Yeah, yeah. The Cube. Atomic Universe. Beth yw hwnna? Beth yw?
Cute little guy. The Cube,
Cube.
is yet another new project from
Bydd
Then
yn...
a TV show, I don't know.
RPG shooter set in the Atomic Universe on a massive levitating cube.
MMO, RPG... Ie, unia hynna ni eisiau bod ni'n chwarae Atomic Heart 1. Dwi eisiau fod yn massive...
Into the Marvel Cosmic Invasion
Pa
universe.
Chinese shell companies ni ffundio hwnna?
To PC and consoles this holiday with multiplayer fun for up to 4 players. You can pick between 15 Marvel characters to play, but so far only 7 have been revealed. Well, now it's time to meet the next 2.
O, ddech a thing chdi, Morgan. Dwi ddim byd am Marvel. Marvel yn cael good run efo games, dwi ddim ynddi. Mae'r Overwatch game na yn massive.
Yeah.
Mae Marvel fighting game newydd gath ei announsio ddoe, echddoe.
Kind of cool, it's quite like retro.
Mae'r Wolverine edrych na Wolverine o'r X-Men 4 players da.
Nice.
O, ie, symud yn call hwnna, ie, Marvel Rivals.
Marvel Rivals, yeah.
Ie, dwi eisiau chwarae hwnna fyd, de.
Mae'n rhif, ydi?
Yndi. Dwi'n eisiau dy hooked yna fo, cos... Os di o fatha Overwatch. O, mi'n eisiau. Hwn yn previously announced. Os di roi chwarae o mi'n eisiau ar PS2. Pan mae'n Elden Ringi ac yn space, fatha, efo fucking cerig, dim fel oedd o'n o blaen. Ond mi'n eisiau 3, oedd o'n reit famous. Cos yr ail character, oedd the boy French nas yn y ffilm Leon. So the ffilm Leon, the boy actor French yn oes.
Na, dim clem.
Ti wedi gwaethaf Godzilla o 1987?
Probably, roedd ddim cofio'r Victorian yna.
Os bydd yr enw...
It's got trio.
Jean Reno.
Dim clem, sorry.
What? Sut yw'n gwybod Jean... Oh my god, what?
Right, let me Google it. Jean Reno.
Reno, yeah. Oh, mae French Spanish actor. I don't know French yna.
Oh, yeah, rwy'n gwybod.
O.
Yeah.
Mae o'n... Fod o ail cymeriad yn Omniscia 3. Randomly.
Nice.
Ac oedd o'n shiftio rhwng medieval Japan a current day Paris.
Yeah.
Hwn yn very Sekiro, ond Omniscia 3. Iawn, na i wisio stwna. Dwi ddim yn chwarae Switch 2.
Way of the Sword, which we announced back in December at the TGAs. It is coming in 2026 and will be playable this summer at Gamescom. Now let's completely switch gears. You guys all know I love my puppets.
Na i mynd i Gamescom,
This
Morgan.
next project is one I've been tracking for a few years as a team at Sans String Studios is using Unreal Engine 5 to create an insane digital puppeteering pipeline.
Faint o weithiau mae ydy'n cael pres bod Tom yn Real Engine 5? Mae dyn nhw'n lot o weithiau fan.
That combines comedic storytelling and arcade fighting action. Check this out.
Cool. Giant enemy crab. Promise copy hwnna. Right, it's historically accurate.
Oh, yeah.
The giant enemy crab. So funny.
And expose weaknesses for maximum damage.
Alright, you little sick of fuzzy shit. Show me what you got.
Wel, edrych yn dda, ie?
Yeah.
Gonna be champ. We gotta transform. Why are you even here? Don't waste my time.
Save us, Fuzzy, or we'll die.
Attaboy. Attaboy. Eat bread, crap, burnt toast, carb load. This mate ain't gonna beat itself. I've been taking dumps in there all day. Jab.
Please speel dit op VR. Please speel dit op de VR. Nou, maar heel daar op de VR in de.
Yeah.
The punch outs for sure, yeah.
An edrych cool.
Yeah.
Super
feel
fun.
that.
Gotta wish list that, right? All right. Well, next it's time
Keith,
to
no
see
wish
the
list.
announcement of a brand new game in Deception We Trust.
An ancient
Oh, tenminste, die gaat er niet wat erin, hoor.
mountains lost to time and legend. Only the chosen find their way here. Gathered from every corner of the earth, divided yet bound.
We don't feel that, so on.
And lambs.
Come in there.
In a perilous dance of wits, a game where truth is but a shadow. Enough theatrics. I'll get to the point. Killer Inn is a murder mystery action game. The killers lurk elusively in plain sight. Kill someone and a clue will remain.
Hwn fatha, ti'n gwybod, the ship mod i Half-Life.
Unmasking the culprits. Who is guilty
Cool.
will eventually come to light. Wolves win by killing every lamb. Lambs win by rooting out every wolf. Such simple rules. But there's so much more to this game of murderous mystery. Complete quests to level up. Buy items with the gold you earn. Loot chests for weapons and armor. Steal items, blow up opponents, poison others.
Mae gen hwn masif, mae'n mynd i bar am 80 months a stopio.
Then you'd better escape the
Yeah.
castle.
Yeah,
So hwn yn
mae'n
free
teimlo
play.
fel mae angen
Victory are clear.
player
You
to
will do
see.
well to remember. Deceit and deduction are your
It's cool,
strongest
though.
weapons in this game
Yeah.
of life or death. Your invitation awaits.
Traitors.
That was
Square Enix.
Killer Inn, a 24-player multiplayer game from Square Enix where you compete in a game of life or death using social deduction skills to win. All right, it's hard to believe this next game was first announced at TGA
Best
in
to them.
2021.
Best to
I
them.
know it's been a while, their recent tech tests prove that some things are definitely worth the wait. I'm of course talking about Ark Raiders. This is one of the most anticipated games of the year, and we're excited to share a
Ark
new
Raiders?
trailer which will tell you more
Ond yn-
Ie, ti'n cofio hwn?
mysteries surrounding
Gath hwn
Rings a
i
bell.
the long-awaited launch
yn
date
cyhoeddi'r un
coming
amser a
later this year.
Concord.
Yeah.
From Embark
Oh.
Studios, here's the world premiere
Similar,
of the
like,
release date
vibe
trailer
for-
Ark Raiders.
Yeah.
Retro, kind of. Oh yeah, hyn yn edrych class! Ie, yn cofio gweld clips o pobl o'r chwarae'r closed beta. Look at like un blue like Spider-Bot and like neud you lan a like, oh.
Let your body settle into a slower rhythm.
Pam oedd y labels y cans are upside down? Oedd y lid ar y top, ond oedd y labels upside down. No, ie, fe.
Ruined, methu chwarae.
Surround yourself with
Sorry, Mr. Two Mechanics.
here.
Yn hoffi'r vibe.
Are
Like
in
mae'r
control.
Mae drychiad y game yn edrych really cool.
Fatha
Rwy'n sucker o like a retro tech aesthetic yna.
Ie. Ydy o fatha, Beidio,
Extraction shooter, neu?
ie, fatha Division neu... Beidio,
Fatha.
Ghost.
Yeah.
Beth yw'n cath Ubisoft? Ghost?
October 30th. Let's got Ark Raiders.
That's right, everyone.
Upcoming
Ark Raiders
multiplayer
is
extraction
coming
adventure.
October 30th,
Yeah.
2025 for PC and console. Congrats to Mbox Studios. All right, Dune fans, now you can finally step
Ghost
onto the
Recon
world of
Wildlands,
Arrakis
natuurlijk.
yourself. Dune Awakening
yeah.
combines the survival and MMO genres with a
Are we on
thrilling
chwarae'r,
cinematic story. It arrives on PC in just a few days
A
on
closed
June
beta
10th,
game, hwnna?
but you can play it right now in Steam Advanced Access. Here is a brand new look.
Dwi'n mynd i joio'r beta o...
Dwi'n gwybod. Dwi'n eisiau hwn gymaint. Ilaha Zahib! Ilaha Zahib! Ti boi dŵn, tyna.
Byth wedi gweld e.
What?
No.
Wyt ti jyst yn meddwl dwi'n gwneud random noises yna?
Right.
Basically...
Rwy'n gwybod y quotes.
Y llyfrau gynta, y ffilms gynta yma ydy Racist Jesus. Racist Jihadist Jesus.
Yeah.
Well, literally, mae'r boi yn cael galaxy-wide jihad. Mae'n actually galw yn jihad. Religious war.
Wow.
Ilaha Zahib.
Oh, they're cool.
Yeah.
So mae'n No Man's Sky, kinda.
Ynddi. O, mae'n MMO hefyd.
Yn y game yn really eisiau, like, cael mewn i No Man's Sky, ond...
Cychwyn yn dysgu mo.
Yeah. Wyt ti wedi gweld y big ass mwydyn nhw wedi ychwanegu i Star Citizen?
Na, bit bet. O, do,
It's like
Swarm.
Dune one,
Yeah.
Mae'n y test series ar ôl.
Pan mae pob o flin os oes yma efo? Mae'n dda...
Oh, I'm sure.
Exploration, but actually it's PvP. About.
Oh, rwy'n meddwl bod pobl yn just like lladd pobl ar y test server. Pobl yn just griffo, like rwy'n y pobl yn cymryd drosof, like
sites.
Yeah, ond hefyd cymryd dros hospitals and stuff. So ti'n like respawn o, a instantly just cael ei lladd. Rwy'n loop.
Oh, game na.
What big meme video.
Yeah. Ilaha Zahib. Ilaha Zahib. Mae Taylor yma'n ei job da fi ddim eisiau chwarae gem yma, de. Lucas, dwi wedi gwachio lot o streams o bobl yn chwarae fo.
Yeah.
Oh, awful, Taylor. Nw sa'ch chi'n gwybod dim byd am dŵn?
Fi?
Be ti'n cael allan o gem na? Be ti'n cael allan o Taylor na?
Dim...
Awful, Taylor.
I saw my world fall to ash.
Un rwy'n gwybod am Dune yw Mwydyn ac y boi yna ti'n siarad am.
Ilaha Zahib.
Ewyr y cywod.
I'm not gadael fish tapeworms mynd i fewn. Lot o hein oes?
Yeah, like, y gemau fel hyn I fi, nhw gyd yn just edrych fel yr un beth, really.
Just chwarae Dark Souls, ie.
Yeah. Ddim siŵr pam, ond like, just y genre hyn, byth really wedi apelio I fi.
O, ni! Enjoyo nhw.
Yeah.
Fyny at fatha Dark Souls a Bayonetta 2. A mae Bayonetta... Fatha Platinum Games. Fatha stwff fatha Metal Gear Rise... Metal Gear Revengeance. Stwff fel la. O, un o games gorau erioed, Nier Automata. So.
Yeah.
Ond...
Yeah. Like, I fi, dwi wedi chwarae, like, Jedi. That was Jedi Survive. Dwi'n enjoy hwnna, a hwnna, like, Souls Light.
Eisiau chwarae God of War remake cynta na. Oedd o'n iawn.
Dwi'n enjoy hwnna hefyd. Rwy ddim meddwl I fi mynd I bod o hwyf, rwy'n like a style Souls-like
Ie.
fighting. kind of thing.
Ond hynna, sydd pethau hein i gyd, de.
But the true lead of the story has yet to emerge. Whatever's coming next will not be easy.
I will never forget my cause.
What is more compelling to you, sir?
Just as he once came to me, filling that dark.
Hwn yn edrych fatha gacha game.
What happened while I was out?
Os dwi'n gweld Genshin Impact, dwi'n gweld Genshin Impact bod so.
The victors show no
Yna massive apparently Genshin Impact yn dweud. Ti'n cael o mobile, ti'n siarad?
worship strength and crave glory.
Ie, wedi cael ads o fe trwy'r amser.
I never doubted.
Ond yn llall, hefyd, bod nhw'n spin-off arall fan, dwi'n cofio nhw.
Curious. What ending have you penned for Septimont this time?
Withering Waves.
Ie, sbia? Hwna dio. O hynna gyd yn ar mobile hefyd.
Oh. Well, yeah, mobile games wedi dod, like,
Ie.
like, insane length.
Mae Genshin Impact, dwi'n Genshin Impact lot dydyn yma, ond mae Genshin Impact ar ffôn yn impressive.
Ie.
Dwi'n bach dwi'n byth dio chwarae, ond y ffaith mae'n gallu rhedeg ar ffôn yn nuts, ie. A mae un yn yr version ar ffôn mae ar PC.
Don't come back.
Rwy'n ffrind...
And don't
That's
come!
Mio Memories in Orbit, a
Back.
stunning new Metroidvania platformer that has a demo on Steam you can play
Rwy'n
right
chwarae
now
Persona
as
4.
part of Next Fest.
Oes, ti'n angen chwarae Persona 4 full, ti'n angen chwarae fo ar stream, a cael fi mildly backseatio chdi.
Okay.
Cos mynd y game sgwr fi erioed.
Mae gen i Persona 4 Golden ar Steam.
Ie,
Ffrind fi wedi...
Hwna di'r un. Dwi'n siarad chdi, ie. Mae'n mynd gymryd ages i chdi orffen. 106 hours, nath o gymryd i fi...
106 hours?
Ie, platinum efo, ie. Cyfo dim, ie. Si ond cymryd 105 hours o gyfer Persona 5.
Ie.
Nath o gymryd 4 playthrough. I unlockio stuff. Game arall i chi cael ei efo'ch gilydd Morgan Owen?
Ie, hyn yn edrych fel, like, Morgan Owen charity stream game.
Ie.
Art style hwn yn edrych really cool.
Hei, sio efo? Out of words.
Rwy'n fi'n
A
untangu.
really unique and different game.
If it makes
This
it bored
August
for
signals
like
the
a...
release of Mafia: The Old Country,
Pa-
the
ble
next
mae'r
entry in
braich
the
fi?
acclaimed Mafia franchise
Pam
from
wedi-
the team
Ie.
at Hangar 13.
Pam wedi
It's a
like
gritty mob story
diflannu
set in
i'r
the brutal
Christy?
underworld of
Dwi
1900
just heb di...
Here is the
O,
summer
os
game
ydych chi'n gallu comic hi o fi, sa t-shirts fi'n mynd yn...
Yeah. Right, chroma key, I see. It's just floating head. It Takes Two, yeah, Morgan, hwnna.
Mafia, di hwn, ie. Oedd Mafia, pobl actually, oedd Mafia yn highly regarded game series o blaen. Cos dwi'n cofio pan o'n... Oedd hwn yn big reveal to dwythoedd. Ac pobl dda.
Yeah, rwy'n enjoyo Mafia 2.
Ie. They're massive game, though.
I'm sure.
Remind them of their obligations.
Rwy'n dim ond byth chwarae Mafia 2, rwy'n ddim trio...
Commitment means everything.
Rwy'n cofio ar Mafia 2, like collectibles or Playboy magazines wedi gallu cael.
Okay. Okay, iawn.
Rwy'n, like, 15-year-old fi, like, yeah, rwy'n hofri him in.
To this family.
60s.
Enzo! We can't let them get away!
When Isabella became involved, it became our business.
Vicky Puttana!
This family.
Viva Italia!
We do not always get to choose what
Ti'n gwybod y fideo na o rhywun y VR chat a mae'n dynas Italian fatha lemon.
And who are you, Enzo?
Na?
That is cool.
Viva Italia, I'm the Italian!
And if you thought that guy was a stud, just wait till you see this.
PS,
next game.
PS2.
LEGO Voyages captures the
It's a shout out,
creative
Morgan.
hands-on
Yes.
spirit of classic LEGO play and will also support a friend's pass, just like Split Fiction. Here's the first ever look.
Morgan yn okay. Just like Ysgrifennu geiriau.
Whoa, yeah. Mafia
Mafia
greiddiol. Oh.
What?
Oh.
Borat.
From the makers of Lego Builders is a new Lego game. Oh, edrych yn dda. Bechad, dim fel hyn mae'n actually mynd edrych da. Dwi'n syni dwi ddim yn adult Lego person.
Na.
Na, dwi ddim.
Dwi yn.
Ie.
Edrych beth.
A lot o bobl dwi'n abod mwy na ddim.
I hyn i adeiladu. Angen adeiladu.
Ie.
Mae gen i light kit hefyd, ac display case
Brawd
right
fi, di brawd fi, he's not one for hobbies, still. Look, a nath o randomly prynu fatha McLaren F1 yn neud o. Ond dwi'n yn geek, a dwi'n yn nerdy o gwbl. Oedd eisiau randomly prynu o'n neud o.
Nice.
David Beckham, a massive Monopoly guy. Massive
Monopoly?
Lego guy.
Nice. Yeah, mae Lego yn gwneud, like... Nhw'n cael... Nid wedi bod yn... Mae'n edrych really cool, like, a game hwnna. Mae Lego wedi bod yn, like... Kind of, like... Catering i'r adult market eitha lot of nhw.
I'm Carolyn Lawrence, voice actor
Your adult
for
market,
faces you might have grown up with on Nickelodeon. Some with squirrel suits, thank you. Some with science smarts, and some with serious attitude. Nickelodeon has always been about
Fel rwy'n sy'n gwisgo specs 24/7, yeah. Those aren't proper specs.
Secrecy today.
Di hi ddim yn gwisgo... Mae hi'n...
Oh, sick frames. Like, os fi'n angen, like, specs yn y HV. Yeehaw! Reisio statement specs. You know?
Agos. Di hyn ddim yn statement specs, dwi fod o specs sgwar, thick rimmed, ers 15.
Dwi'n meddwl... Fydd, like, round specs, like... Yn unlucky ti.
Ddim yn ffit... Oedd ddim yn ffit o siarp... O, dwi'n mwy main, wan. Oedd ddim yn ffit o siarp pen fi. Dwi angen rhaid sgwar. Heb sôn am bags o dan llgada fi. So mae hi'n ei handi cydiad hynna.
Yn y beth. Nicktoons.
Mae siarad amdan Nicktoons. Mae Nicktoons / Warner Brothers brawler na, Multiverse. Delisted here. Servers off.
Environments, and of course, imposing enemies and bosses. Here's the exclusive new look.
Liza P. Hwnnw wastad game dwi eisiau chwarae yn Bridge Tab. Dark Souls, de. Ond parents meddwl it's dda, ddo.
I feel like big billion Souls-like games.
Hwn yn best ar Pinocchio. Yeah.
Okay.
Dwi'n mynd am hynny o gwbl. Dramatisation o Pinocchio, dio. So. Na, eventually trio hwn, do. So mae hwn edrych yn cool. Yn gwybod beth yw'n DLC di hwn.
Ydy un on a chat yn, like, Souls-like game enthusiasts neu rhywbeth?
Yeah, so we'n actually licio Souls games. Dwi'n nes i brynu am 8 bint os yswytha Dark Souls 1 remastered ar Steam.
Yeah.
Be sy'n stupid ydy, oedd gynnu fi Dark Souls greiddiol ar Steam. Mae gynnu fi Dark Souls greiddiol ar PS3. A mae gynnu fi Dark Souls remastered ar PS4 yn barod.
Nice.
So am rhywbeth dwi'n 4 version here. Available today. Wel, ydych chi'n Lies of P fan? A fucking a bod yn buzzed am hwnna. Shout out the Eliza P superfans of hwnna. Today's for you.
Doki Doki Literature Club meets Silent Hill. That piqued my interest. I think you might get a kick.
Oh, yeah.
Ti 'di chwarae Doki Doki Literature
Loosely
Club?
based on the adventures of Pinocchio.
Ti 'di chwarae Doki Doki Literature Club?
Nara heb.
O, o'n i'n chwarae hwnna Halloween.
Yeah.
Iawn. Mae hwnna yn... Google ydyn. A beth ti'n gweld ar Google...
Mae'n like psychological horror ni rhywbeth, ydy e?
Ynddi, it goes places, ie.
Beat farm! Yeah! We're eisiau ffermio beats. Dwight and like...
I beat at my farm.
No! No, don't beat the beats.
Shout out i pob sy'n ffarm yn beat heddiw.
Shout out your beaters. Oh, no, actually, that's sounding really awful.
Yeah, shout out to the beaters.
That's sounding awful. No, I take it back. I take it back.
Beater. O gen i lwmp o gig yn fanna, ddim beater cig. Beater lip yn fanna. Dyna sy'n ydi, beated. Fractured blooms, hys yn digwydd os ti'n beatio fo gormod.
Dechrau gweld pethau yn y fferm.
Os ti'n neud yn iawn, ti'n dechrau cael double vision. O, hwnna'n dechrau'n awful, be bynnag o hwnna? No offence.
I wouldn't recommend eating those tomatoes. All right, NCSoft is expanding its Blade and Soul universe.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the rich lore and dynamic action in
Thanks.
Blade and Soul Neo, just out on Steam, and Blade and Soul Heroes.
O, dwi di applio i cael streamio yn 2K. Yn 2K.
2K.
60 hertz.
Yeah, Twitch.
Oedd o'n just randomly, do you want to apply for this? Yeah, I am.
Nice.
Yeah, dwi'n mam neud chweith, cos mae'n insane.
Oh. Ni angen 2K Emrys Google.
First 2K Welsh language stream. Nes i, dwi'n meddwl chwarae o Yakuza yn ddiweddar do.
Yeah.
Nes i sylweddoli, o'n i di newid setting, oedd 4040p wedi bod ddim yn choppy. Nes i newid i 1080. A bod ddim yn edrych yn iawn. Ond dwi'n meddwl hofio neud? Resize fo yn OBS, cos mae OBS efo 1080 canvas. Ond o'n i di neud 1440p
Yeah.
gameplay fi ffitio 1080. So, oedd o'n, yeah.
Hell yeah. Gwastraffu'r pixels. Woo.
A oedd so pan nes i ddefo i 1080 ar y gêm, oedd i agor allan, so chdi oedd y gweld top chwith. So...
Mae'n dweud ti'n stream o'n fel hwnna.
2 awr, da.
Oh, nightmare.
Yeah. Pwy ddiffa di boi yma? Pwy di fucking Dragon Ball Z, fucking non-canon movie character yma.
Os mae'n cael llygaid ar y chest fe, a llygaid ar y pen. Fi fe'n dal cael
One
perception.
Punch Man, dio?
Hell yeah. One Punch.
I see. Mae manga, One Punch Man, it's cool.
Yeah. Ah, sick. Oh, mae'n just addition i'r game.
Oh.
Ddim yn One Punch Man.
Crystal of
The
Atlan.
One Punch Man game yn actually kind of boring.
Na. Na, beth neud i ti ddim yn One Punch Man.
Oh.
Os ti'n dweud One Punch Man a cymeriad arall, basically ti'n gorfod just gorau para tan mae One Punch Man yn cyrraedd. 7 Deadly Sins, oh my god. Who's going to jail? Who's going to jail? 7 Deadly Sins. Dwi'n mynd yn dead ass. Dwi'n dysgu o rhywbeth arall. Dwi'n dysgu o rhywbeth arall.
I'm sure.
Na, 7 Deadly Sins. Dim ond yn embarrassing, though. Oh, bydd yn embarrassing. Na, yn really... Pretty embarrassing.
Beth ydy'r game hyn am?
Just
am
well, Seven of the Sins an anime.
Ah, right.
It's an anime game, yeah. It's fantasy. Oh, hwn sef y boi ma. Ie, yeah, mae'n y boi ma sy'n just randomly mynd yn massively buff. Butler ma. Oce, dim hwn di'r un embarrassing, hwn yn iawn. Mae pobl yn cael cy hwn.
Okay.
Yr un dwi'n...
Ooh, The Witcher.
Di hwn ddim... Oh. Unreal 5, di hwn, ie.
State of Unreal.
This is a technological showcase set in the world of The Witcher 4.
Human Creator is now fully integrated into Unreal Engine.
You're seeing me live in real time.
Squid Game will be coming to you.
Rhaid mi logio fewn i'r Crunchyroll account fi weld beth yw'r un embarrassing dwi'n dan.
Serious contender for Game of the Year. That Mongil Star Dive will be exclusively on the Epic Game Store.
Ni wedi gweld hwnna, ni.
Do. Basically,
What the hell is this? Hwnna'n edrych cool.
Mae pob ar Unreal 5 yn hwn basically dweud, ie.
Ni heb gweld un hwnna, Infinitesimals, hwnna'n edrych. Rwy'n ffordd like Honey I Shrunk the Kids on like ever technology.
Oh, do hwnna TGS, oedd.
The course of nature.
Ooh.
Unleashed genetic power across continents.
Press the back game hyn.
It is up to us to nurture what we have set.
Ydy hyn just expansion I Just World 2?
Within
Evolution thing, I guess.
Evolution, yeah. Yeah, like Just World Evolution 3
to help life
instant buy. Dwi'n
gwybod hyn yn...
In an instant buy, I can't!
Dwi'n gwybod hwn yn... 3. Rhaid fi ddeud...
Yeah. I'm sorry, hyn yn just mynd I just... What? Hyn yn instant buy fi.
Mae Twitch dwi randomly pigo fyny dwi'n eisiau adblocker. What? Na, mae off gyda fi anyway. 20% of off.
Hi, I'm Celia from Yacht Club Games.
Oh.
10 years ago, we broke new ground with our first game, Shovel
Ad
Knight.
blocked into the
Today, I'm thrilled to share a world premiere
Look,
look at our
Adblock
next
Plus.
IP, Mina the Hollower.
Oh, dyna fi U-Block Origin.
Mina continues our
Rhywbeth
tradition
wedi cael
of
problem efo hwnna.
refining retro
Ie,
games.
dwi'n meddwl bod o'n hwn.
Adblock Plus,
It's a
nhw wedi cael
bone-chilling
ei
adventure that
prynu
blends
allan
intense
gan like
combat,
advertisement
free
thing
roaming
neu rhywbeth.
exploration, and precise
Ie, dwi'n cael dim isio o da.
Yeah.
A dwi'n lawio ads ar Twitch anyway.
grow through danger and unravel the mysteries of a
Ie, mae off gyda fi.
A decade
Ar-
ago, we
yeah.
unearthed a
Don't
groundbreaking
know. Oh, I
legend.
know.
This year, we're bringing our next
Hello,
bona
you.
fide classic.
Eisiau min o'r Arsenal? Come on, te. Ni'n cael guest ar y stream.
Oh, mae hwn efo Game Boy Color vibes.
Mwah. How are you? Oh. Ti'n iawn? Ie. Dwi'n meddwl am y game ai hyn, te. Off your game on it? Yeah, I did it well. I'm not a game. Yeah, it's cool. Mina the Hollower.
Fairy Tale.
All right. This is a special
They're
one. Our next
embarrassing.
game comes from a well-known
Okay.
developer that has done... Yeah.
Dwi'n gwybod o.
Kyle Bossman, everyone.
Oh,
50 hin, red envelope.
oh, dyn.
Let me see what this says.
Red envelope.
Oh. Hey, Jeffy. If
Oh, mae mynd yn
you're
melyn
reading
fel
this,
y...
it means three things.
Simpsons
Number
game.
one, you're killing it at the fest with your oodles of totally natural charisma. Debatable. B, I'm at your house playing long darts with the fam. And 3, you're going to do me a solid and skip that Silk Song trailer so you can pimp my revolutionary VR gaming venture that will shock the industry probably.
Deadpool.
A wet one on the lips, comma, Wade.
Deadpool game, would you?
Let's take a look.
Na.
We're carried Deadpool.
Deadpool ydy beth gweitha sydd wedi digwydd i entertainment. Ia, y peth gweitha sydd wedi digwydd entertainment.
Na, dim o gwbl. Deadpool yn amazing.
Oce, mae o yn Deadpool wedyn Operation Yewtree efo dal Jimmy Savile a bod dim arall amdano fo. Mae o, dwi'n casau Deadpool with a passion. Gyda cyn Ryan Reynolds. Dwi'n casau ddo. Mae ddylio pob sy'n troi fyny i unrhyw convention o'n Deadpool costume mynd i jail.
Timothy can't take the pool.
I wiped my ass on this first. You're welcome.
Casau Deadpool.
Who got the lobotomy with fries?
Yr unig beth da mae Deadpool roed i wneud ydy'r version core o like a prayer in the film.
Spider-Man gets insomniac, and I get this shit? I'm craving Korean barbecue now. Is that weird? Whoa!
F off. Brilliant, brilliant. Well, for the thing this yma yn awesome. Oh, we riot.
Building survival horror games. Kyle Crane is back as the player character in this title that blends open world and action survival horror. Let's take a look at the latest trailer with some big news, the release date.
Rwy'n hoffi'r Dying Light gyntaf. Beth chwrdd i chwarae ail i?
O, ie. Hwn yn cael pwysio nôl lot, do. Hwn yn eitha, ti'n gwybod, ti'n gallu stopio i dwi... Ie, mae'n weird o'r hyn yma.
Sociopath. He's experimenting on humans like they're lab rats. God only knows what the Baron's planning to do with those monsters.
Dwi'n mynd i ail sy'n fyny fe Crunchyroll. Sydd arall yn mynd i watch the Laid Back Camp? No, Caio na lo. Caio! Dwi'n mynd yna. Oedd ar y Switch 1 o blaen, oedd handi.
Ei roedd. Dying Light?
Crunchyroll.
Oh, Crunchyroll.
Dwi'n gwybod Dying Light, yn oedd?
I don't care how high his walls are, or how big his army is.
Mae zombies di teipio off do. A mae fatha Dark Souls di cymryd osod do.
Yeah. Or not like, like Dig Believing and all, it didn't be zombie games.
A wedyn o spiritual successor Left 4 Dead 2 yn awful.
Yeah. Beth oedd y game o'na eto?
Back to Black, yeah, fatha, yeah. Oedd awful. Chwarae o gyd, dwi'n
Then I'll go there and fucking kill him.
Fucking kill him, I'm gonna fucking kill him! Back for Blood.
There's the big news. Dying Light the Beast is coming on August 22nd. Games come week. All right. This next game draws inspiration from classic coming-of-age films to capture the highs and lows of adolescence, the bonds of friendship, and the nostalgia of growing up.
Pimp game, Morgan.
Comes from Beethoven and Dinosaur, an Annapurna Interactive.
Mae'n dda i Morgan, na pimp game a dim un o'n light skin game. Be di bang chdi amdan Deadpool, Morgan?
Oh, Annapurna? I'm ever in Kailara.
Getting buzzed.
Anything then?
Get out of this place.
That's all.
Well, Annapurna closed down. When I create a really cool cat game, I don't know.
Everything's about to change.
Oh, man, I'm different.
It's time to look
Oh, yeah.
greatest hits.
Oh, bydd y frame rate y game yma. Oedd hyn yn thing o lot fyd. Lot o games 80s teen road movie.
This year, experience a retrospective like
Oh shit, no.
other. Beethoven and Dinosaur invites you to relive
On
the teenage
if
riot
we've
to spend one last night together.
Stray, yeah. Ah, nah, with Annapurna, publishers, never developers.
And with the soundtrack,
Blue 12 are the developers.
it's gonna be one hell of a night.
You really enjoy Stray.
Iawn o Stray. Dwi'n cofio, oedd hwnna off the wayward mor fast, cos o pobl yn disgwyl yn open world ac oedd o'n...
Yeah.
Oedd o'n mor linear.
Very really.
So pobl yn gwybod oedd o'n linear i gychwyn. O'n i'n disgwyl bath arall.
Yeah.
Hwnna'n yr issue. Ac hyd oedd dda...
Yn eitha fyr o hyd.
Ie, yn a bit puzzly, ond oedd ddim hyd oedd dda variation.
Hmm.
Where harmony reigns. Will you struggle until your last fleeting moment? Your destinies are sealed. There is no escaping them.
That is why we must end you. Right here and now.
On your guard.
This is gorgeous.
Isometric.
And just getting started.
No, dat is.
The surge of power.
Mae gen hwn Switch 2 vibes i fi.
Now, get ready. Everyone, are you with me? We will live on in
No.
this world. No matter what hardships await.
Power friendship.
Fight
Hyn
for
yma.
a future filled with hope.
It's goldfish, I know, making
Toa and the
guns
guardians
for
of the
arms.
sacred tree.
A beautiful
Switch.
game. That was the global announcement of Toa, a new roguelike from Bandai Namco and
So
developed
dim
Brownie.
sôn
Classic Japanese art with a whimsical spin on Eastern mysticism. Next, we want to introduce you to a game made by a first-time solo developer.
A Philly Fast and Avori.
Indonesia.
Oh
With the
shit.
help of 9 of his friends, he's built an intense
Bach ddim yn gwybod am fario dda.
brutal
I really
hand-to-hand
didn't.
combat
Oh my
set
days,
in
I ddim
his
gwybod
hometown.
hwn yn Avori.
This
Sorry,
is
Morgan.
Acts of Blood.
Feels like summer.
Fi ddim. Fi definitely ddim. Mae'r blymyn... Mae na, like, thunderstorms trwy dydd Avori.
Feels like summer.
Mae na yellow
Feels
thunderstorm.
like
morning.
summer. Oes?
Yeah. Nine
Yeah,
until
Yakuza
now
rip-off,
until
man.
chwech. Oh my days. Sign sure. Sorry, mae gen i hollol anghofio i fynd ar y fori.
Beth mynd efo chdi, Morgan? Di'r holl di'r gadgets a bod dim yn mynd efo chdi. Hwnnw yn Yakuza. Ond beth ydy o, mae Yakuza yn tan jank ac yn ffynnu. God.
Bad dot line.
Pa amser ydi Philly Fest, Morgan? Beth di'r amser ai?
Feels like summer. Fe Tesco, nhw eisiau can yna, wan. Siar yn eich do.
Wel, rydyn ni'n...
Amazing what these
Rydyn ni'n
solo games
set a trend.
Wow, still the jank link yn y gwylod yma na.
tribute game.
O'n nhw eisiau Steam game nhw. Wow.
Ie, tra'r ffôn. Mae'n big delay ar ffôn
You've
fi.
been waiting for more than a decade for this reveal.
Half-Life 3.
Oh, my god, mae'r... Oh, we're like 5 munud tu ôl.
Vegans and robots, yeah. That's the two types. Scott Pilgrim, what? Yn newydd? Hwn yn y games Prain dwi a Morgan cytuno sy'n awesome. Ie. Dwi'n cofio hwn ar Xbox 360 a dwi'n cofio fatha actually aros fyny tan o'r servers di updateio yn yr arcade store i fyny fo. O'n i'n big Scott Pilgrim fan. Na, Dan. Donkey Kong Country, na, Dan. Pam sy'n spoilio yna, Morgan? Oedden ni'n cael Twitch moment o fanna.
Cael nice nostalgia moment.
A ni'n spoilio fo. This is a Switch 2 game. Sorry, byddai ddim yn crossplay hwn efo chi. Nintendo Switch. Hwna Nintendo Switch. Ddim yn dweud Nintendo Switch 2. Mae'r ffordd, mae'n rhyw virtual game card o Switch 2 it's bach yn weird.
Yeah, but like a games dim actually ar y cards.
Na, ond hefyd, mae'n y games. So, os dwi'n gymryd games ar y Switch fan. Ond dwi'n gorfod tynnu fo, dwi'n gorfod virtually tynnu fo allan o library 2 fi ar ei dar 1 fi, a vice versa. Os di yn... So os di... Mario Kart 8 fi, hen fi, ar Switch 1, a dwi'n chwarae fo Switch 2. Stopio chdi... Stopio chdi chwarae... Stopio chdi cael un account bod ma'n chwarae un games. Dwi'n mwyn be'n neud efo Switch fi. Rhaid eisiau dweud baw fi. O ia, mae'n Capcom sale ar Steam. Thought it's dan ochr teg.
Nice.
O ia, thio hwn da. O, Stellar Blade! Stellar Blade yun, that's the first Descent. Ie. Wel, dwi'n barod, yndi?
Yn Clamor i byth wedi gweld o.
Yndi, free to play.
Oh.
Lot o pinola yn efo.
Yeah.
Like,
pob shot on it, it's just like, yeah. Oh my god.
Hynny ydy'r game, apparently. Ond mae Stellar Blade yn dod allan ar Steam mis yma, a fyddai'n chwarae hwnna, a dwi'n poeni os di rhywun yn judge fi amdano peth. Don't care. Cos mae'n 2B near... Oh my god, beth yw'n?
Now, a glorious morning has dawned.
Zombies, mechs.
On something that's simply harder. Scum.
Scum? Oh shit. I heb clywed am Scum yn
Ie, pwys fel chwarae Scum.
Okay.
O'n i'n mynd dall o Scum ar lefel advertisio ar hwn.
Ie.
Version 1.0. Wedi bod yn ffocin pre-pitha do.
Mae Scum yn... 2018. Mae'n dod allan. Early access.
Ond wwan mae o... O, Hitman un. The developers there.
Yeah, Scum was announced 2016. Jeez.
Dwi wedi prynu headphones i'r rhedeg. Lle maen nhw'n vibratio rasgwn tu allan.
Oh, okay.
So dwi'n teimlo fatha'r boi yma.
Nice.
Charlie, maybe this is the real me.
Diaz, you were a good soldier. I don't want any part of your future.
I'm gonna write my own.
Mind's Eye. Hwnna edrych cool. Hwnna edrych diddorol.
Da ddim ar y Switch. Ond pobl... Ie. Oh my god!
I'm Hakan Abrak, CEO of Iron Interactive.
Mae trio prynu Hitman wan yn fucking nightmare.
Trio prynu Hitman?
Mae Hitman 1, 2 a 3 wedi cael cyfuno yn un Hitman yn. A wahanol packages levels, a wahanol maps a falle, mae'n insane.
Oh. Fi ddim fan o'r new Hitman games.
Oh, I enjoy it. Dwi efo.
Like, rwy'n fi'n really joio Hitman Absolution.
Ie, dwi'n chdi, dwi'n
Ond like, right now, there's some story. And like, Pam fi, what do I care?
Oh, it's mae'n stori. Mae'n stori.
Barely. Rwy'n fi'n chwarae'r un gyntaf.
More exciting, we are bringing someone into Hitman, the Wall of Assassination, who is very dear to the Bond universe.
Ooh.
Let's take a look.
Money penny. O'n i'n allan hogan yn chweched. Nath i just assumio o'n i...
A financial mastermind with suspected ties to the criminal underworld. He has arranged a high-stake poker game at the Casino Monarchique in Paris. Our clients have deemed this unacceptable.
I've invited these
Ooh,
people.
dwi'n siŵr fe Hideo Kojima fan hyn yn iawn.
Mr. Rengang, he's too patient with his spy. Well, she likes a drink. Don't know about the newcomer, Mr. Smith.
Ie, o'n i'n allan hogan yn chweched. A nath i just assumio allan yn unlla o'n i'n massive James Bond fan. Nes i roed yr argraff yna. Nes i roed dweud hynna. Dwi'n siŵr watchad un ffilm James Bond i fi. Ac o'n i'n assumio o'n i'n massively fewn i James Bond. So o'n i'n eitha present i fi.
Ie.
Oedd o fatha Encyclopedia James Bond, neu oedd o Sanna James Bond. Oedd o'n fucking nuts.
It's just around the corner.
Wyt ti byth dweud unrhyw beth?
Oh, cool, James Bond.
Right now.
So I thought, why wait? Dwi'n meddwl eich hyn o'n i just trafod yn coi, ie.
To join me here. As a matter of fact, he is here with us today.
That's right, everyone at Summer Game Fest, please welcome the great Mads Mikkelsen.
O, wir, so mae Mads Mikkelsen ond o dda, i siarad am gêm oedd allan 5 years yn ôl. A
Thank you for joining us.
Hideo Kojima hefyd yn cael stage.
Mads, you are Cliff, but you're also Agent 47's next target as Le Chiffre, the villain we know from Casino Royale.
Yep, that's it. And you know, this is... I've always had a deep love for this character. It's a role that means a lot to me because of a lot of reasons. So when Haggard gave me the chance to step into the shoots of the Schiffer once again, I did not hesitate for 1 second. But this time is a little different. He's more confident. He's dangerous. He's not just a brilliant mind hiding behind a desk. He is visceral, unpredictable, and ruthless. And let's just say this time he doesn't outsource the violence.
So this mission is set in a casino in Paris.
Mae gen fo set path rhwng y map fel os mae'r gêm yn gweithio.
While keeping surprises for our players. James Bond and Agent 47 have very different set of skills, and the mission will be handled in very different creative ways.
Be rwy'n fi'n chwarae o fo. O rwy'n fi ddim joio fe mor gymaint as.
Ie.
Absolution.
No, I guess it is not just about the
Fair
shots,
enough.
but the
O'n i'n joio fe. O'n i efo PS4, 1, 2 or 3 ar
Schiffer is
DLC
always like
gyd.
2 steps ahead of you. He reads you before you read him, so it's a little like bringing a chess player to a poker game.
We built the mission to allow several parts, unexpected characters, appearances, and even custom poker mechanics.
Wow, all right, well, when do we get to play this?
Mae'r gêm yn mor hen ddo. Mae'r lefel Paris na. Oedd yn literally lefel gynta.
Updating the game as we speak. Le Chiffre, Elusive Target mission starts today in a few hours.
2016.
Wait, Hitman 2?
Hitman 1?
You'll unlock a unique reward in
Yn 2016, iawn.
Ie.
Mae'r map, lle mae'r to'r cyfeiriad yma, mae'r map mae o yn iwsio yn 2016 map.
Oh, wow.
Great stuff. All right, now here's the announcement of a new party game coming later this
They're
year.
nuts.
It will delight LEGO fans made with over 1 million LEGO bricks, 300 minifigures,
Oh,
and
another LEGO
over
game.
700 trillion minifigure combinations.
It's Saturday night somewhere, so make some noise for LEGO Party!
Ooh.
For a nail-biting competition.
We're minifigures, Dad. We don't have nails. It's an action-packed contest to collect the most golden bricks.
But will you be helped by friendly krakens?
Or hindered by evil monsters.
Or lightly toasted by a flying lizard with wings?
That's a dragon, Ted.
Oh, I'm kind of edrych fel,
Mini-games, Ted. We've got more of them than you can count.
board game ni'n chwarae ar stream every now and then.
It's actually more like
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, that's a lot!
with surprises around
Good
every
solo.
Yr un ble ti'n mynd, like, round y bwrdd, wedyn ar ôl pob round, mae'n a minigame.
Yes, anything.
Okay, but certainly
A ti, like, angen collect the, like, keys a trophies a stuff.
Ie, beth o?
Cofio, beth di?
Pummel Party, diolch yn fawr.
Hwna'n ed. Cheers, Morgan. Hwna'n cool. Well, ni'n hoffi Pummel Party, so bydd ni'n probably hoffi hyn. Hwna'n edrych cool. Rwy'n all am party games all that.
All right, next,
Wild
look
Gate.
at a new team shooter from Dreamhaven and Moonshot Games. 20 players across 5 ships venture into the most treacherous region of space, hoping to get their hands on the artifact. The game is called Wild Gate, and the open beta starts next week during Steam Next Fest. And we're also very happy to announce the game will launch on July 24th for PC, PlayStation 5,
Ddim siŵr, Morgan, ond ddim dweud.
Let's see what it means to get into some
Well,
serious
we'd probably
space
layout pedwar bydd hi'n dweud. I've never had loads of games o enw like Rubeth Gate. No, Split Gate. Wild Gate. Dim ond dair o cadi.
Mae'n cymryd tan wan I Stargate mynd I fewn i'r public zeitgeist. Hellgate.
Hellgate.
Watergate. Gate.
Just angen game on Gate.
Lionsgate Studios.
Okay, I'm cool. Okay, hyn yn eitha cool mechanics. Ydy cael, like, dau ship.
This'll be good.
Dim ond da.
Okay, hwnna'n edrych like actual...
Wild Gate.
Actually cool spin ar y...
I'm
Ar y
proud to
genre.
reveal to you the next game from Toronto-based Drinkbox Studios, the team behind the Guacamelee series and Nobody Saves the World. They're making a full 3D game that can be played alone or with a friend in co-op. You can find out more during Day of the Devs right
Ond dyna,
after
maen
the
nhw'n gyd yn
show.
dweud hynna
For
fanna.
now,
I'm
here
proud
is
to
the global
announce.
reveal of Blighted.
Pam.
I'm sure.
Just got a...
Spit in dweud, ydy?
Yeah, just was hynna, yeah.
Did it all come to this? It began with the ancient rituals. The dead buried with a
Ddim yn cael yr un weight os dweud, yeah, I'm indifferent to announce the...
Those who ate the fruit saw the lives they lived and passed their knowledge to future generations until Sorcisto, in his lust for power, consumed the brains of the living, spreading this blight.
What the hell?
You harbor it too, I see.
It's Hades.
Should you fall,
Two-player Hades. Dwi'n gwybod Hades 2 yn two-players
pray
ddim.
the vultures consume you before the blight does.
Okay.
There is more Blighted coming up right after the show in Day of the Devs. All right.
Ew, this game's ill, dude.
Survival action horror game from Team Cloud. It's a new team of 50 with founders in
I mean,
Canada and
no aisle.
Armenia. They partnered with the new Mundfish Powerhouse label to bring this insane, unreal.
Nee, als mij kan ik echt.
Echt.
Met die.
De fucking meme dan. Lost, wat?
Lost. Weet je ddim gwybod beth oedd Lost?
Na.
Mae fe'n like a...
Wel, dat darllen am y meme na, spoilio diwrnod fi.
Wyt ti darllen o nhw i meme article yna?
O'n i'n gwybod, so y cartŵn yna. Dwi'n cofio fatha hwnna.
Mae'n just y positions o'r cymeriads mewn y cartoon. Mae fe just pobl wedi cymryd e, just like cifio fe fel secret message dros yr internet. A mae pobl yn just cifio fe mewn pethau. Mae'n just like perpetual memes i ddim yn mewn.
Oedd o'n un o'r pethau gweitha nes i'n 2025 o darllen amdan y meme yna.
Right surprised ti ddim yn gwybod am fe.
Na, wel, dwi'n sioct o fyd, o'n i'n gwybod.
Fi'n mwy terminally online na ti.
Dwi'n gwybod.
Oh god.
Dwi'n am mwy terminally online. Oedd hwnna'n blind sight. Oedd hwnna yn social cataract gyda fi.
Ie, mae'n un o'r internet easter eggs. Wyt ti'n dechrau gweld y pattern mewn loads o pethau? Really butcher babbies.
Oedd y babin yn ill, ie. Oedd y babin yn mega ill.
Very ill.
With its previous beta amassing over 300,000 concurrent players on Steam and 3 million players in total.
Ti'n mynd i gweld
In this game, you
Lost,
explore
like
a
mewn popeth.
sci-fi universe and pilot powerful mechs with
Ie,
immersive
nes i allan yn eglurhad o'r comic hefyd, a o, na, mam hynna. Na ddim repeat o'r stream. Ond dwi'n o, na byb iawn.
latest trailer with the answer you've all been waiting for.
Dwi very much into White Monster memes ar hyn o bryd. A 1 versus 100 Gorilla memes. A fucking massive robots. Ta mae massive robots ma'n barod dwi'n nôl diod arall.
Iawn. Energy. Beth yw'r cerddoriaeth yma? Sa'n siŵr. I'm siŵr pa iaith mae hwnna'n Japaneaidd? Ddim yn Saesneg. Ddim yn Saesneg, ond mae ddim yn Cymraeg, so... Mae ddim yn narrow fel awr.
Robots. Dwi'n myth rhywbeth?
Dim really, just big mechs, and just like... Kinda just all mechs from...
I give a thumbs up. Dwi'n mech enthusiast. Fod Armour Core 6 yn disappointing.
Ah, mae'n mewn Saesneg, ydy e? Oh yeah, mae o'n Saesneg! Wait? Na, mae'n mixture. Nhw'n like... Meddwl mae... I don't know.
Mech language.
Mech language.
Binary. Binary, hwnna fo gan hynna pan ti'n mynd allo. Oedd o'n binary.
Filled with local wildlife and hostile machines.
Cool,
built by a small 8-person studio. This is Infinitesimals.
Ooh, dyma ni. Dyma un o'r un gweld earlier. Fy'n edrych yn cool.
Epic Game Publishing, yes.
No! Right with him, Kyle.
Mechanicals approaching.
Giant enemy crab! A giant enemy beetle.
We must now face a stark reality. The industrial civilization we were expecting to join.
What if we did Avatar but tiny? Borrowers. Avatar borrowers. Borrowing Avatar.
Honey, I Shrunk the Aliens.
Honey, I Shrunk the Avatars.
They're just cool though.
Whatever it takes.
Oh, well, for the 4, I have very much an Anthem vibe.
Find a way.
It's got game Anthem.
Yeah.
Sut ydi games lle mae pob yn Iron Man ddim yn hwyl?
That's cool.
2026 marks the 30th anniversary of a legendary video game franchise that I think we all know.
Pan ydych chi'n golio fanna?
Please check this out.
Happy birthday.
Is ddim holy shit moments di bod eto, guys?
RPD.
Resident Evil. Pa un? Raccoon City.
Yr un ni'n gwifod am o?
O, na'n byd yn leaks, de? DLC.
And to celebrate
O, hynna gyda?
special message from Takeuchi-san.
Magi-san, ありがとうございます。カプコン
Hi ydi hwnnw fawr, ie.
皆様のおかげでバイオハザードも30周年を迎えることができました。ありがとうございます。さて、お待たせしているバイオハザードの最新作なんですが、
Ddim gyda dau slot. Morgan very much ddim yn Resident Evil.
それではこれからもバイオハザードシリーズよろしくお願いいたします。ありがとうございました。
30th anniversary though.
I need a glass of wine.
Just another.
Thank you, Takeuchi-san, for that very special message. We cannot wait for when the time is right to share
Diolch.
more.
Pam ydym hwnna gyna efo stwff Resident Evil gyna?
Now it is time for the next big update.
Oh, doesn't mean like dangos unrhyw beth.
No.
Oh?
Fire Pro Wrestling. Neu di gas fi.
Yeah.
Dwi'n casau fynd o terminally online dwi'n efo wrestler fel rhywun sydd ddim yn watcha wrestler. O, na! Capcom, dwi'n na? Alex.
Ooh.
Street Fighter 3. What? Ond beth ydi oedd o? Omega, ie. Cyn i Omega.
Are they? Oh, yeah.
Sea Viper. Ydy'r cymeriad hein yn mynd i fewn i'r gêm EW na? Ingrid. Ingrid? Ingrid, sorry. Dwi'n cael... Sut dwi'n gwybod?
Dwi'n cael nhw gyd.
Sagat, dwi'n hwnna'n hawdd. Pan mae Kenny Omega yn cosplayo? Oh my god, beth hyn? So it's
Street Fighter 6.
Villa! Villa yn cyhoeddi Season 3. What? You eisiau Kenny Omega? What the fuck?
Pam na,
Mae Evo mewn fatha chydig o dyddiau. A pam maen nhw'n eisiau... What? Yna pretty crazy. Os hwnna di cael ei ddau cynt?
Mae'n wrestler ar AEW, Morgan.
Ie. Hynna pan dwi'n mynd ar pam fod yn neud o.
Ie, rwy'n fi'n meddwl ar y dechrau, it's like, oh, it's not like new AEW Fight Forever game yn dod allan. Ni yn like Team Fortress 2 on like Team Fortress 2 play.
Oh yeah. Fel arfer de, to'n Evo Tournament, mae'n masif iawn, mae'n llenwi stadiums. A diwedd hwnna ydi fatha y big reveal yn cymeriadau season nesa. Mae'n literally neud o fatha 1 minute trailer am yma. Sagat Ingrid yn annoio pobl.
Yeah.
Sea Viper, a bydd y llall?
Let's call it.
O, na fi chwaith. Oedd o'n leaked anyway. Alex.
Loads of games have like an aesthetic kind of like retro-y hyn.
Ynddi, the 70s, 80s stuff.
Efo like a lliwiau llinell kind of thing with like Concord and Kyler. Extraction shooter hwnna.
Which is the ultimate game of capture the flag set in the 1970s, as you saw. The closed alpha will be starting later this year. Next, we have a beautiful new trailer for a Souls-like action RPG game developed in China by Lenzi, Wuchang Fallen Feathers, which is launching on July 24th. Here's a look.
Si byth goffan y llall.
Is this bloodshed really what you wanted?
Pa un ydi hyn? Wuchang.
Na, beth arall hwn, ond si byth goffan.
You can't change how it
Mae ffordd nhw wedi dangos y Season 3 characters na wedi chwalu pren fi. A fi bwtio fyny Season... Cos heddiw mae lan na, heddiw mae Season 2 gorffan.
Ydy hyn y sequel i rhywbeth, neu ydy hyn... Heb clywed am fel.
Mae lots o Chinese developers yn dechrau iwsio Chinese mythology yn dweud.
Mae'n loads of good stories mewn Chinese mythology.
Hynna ydy'ch yn fwy o anime, stori o Journey to the West. Hynna ydy basically One Piece a Dragon Ball,
ie. Roedd fi'n caru y hen TV show, yr un sy'n ar Journey to the West. Yr un, you know, monkey magic.
Literally hynna ydy Dragon Ball greiddiol cyn Dragon Ball Z. Just remake o Return to the... Wu-Tang, oh my god.
Rise of the Deceiver.
O, mae thing Street Fighter 6 yn chwalu brefi. Absolutely chwalu brefi, na villain di nawnsio fo. Heb dim fanfare o gwbl. Ond so, fucking Matt Mickelson fucking a. Dod allan a dangos fod o'n un cymeriad fo'n fucking Game 2016.
And it's the debut title from the 53-member Brass Lion Entertainment.
What the hell?
Now, here's a new look at Guild Wars 2, which has new updates, including player housing and is free to play. This weekend, to celebrate SGF, you can take advantage of double XP all weekend long.
Yeah, double XP, woo!
Okay, Paul, let's get on it. Let's go on Guild Wars 2.
Get out of grind. 50 Guild Wars.
Emi mo. Hwn yw'n ti'n chwarae os di World of Warcraft neu Final Fantasy 14 ddim digon da.
Right, okay.
So dwi'n gwybod pwy. Oedd hwn reit drwg amdan gallu ni cymeriadau questionable. A wedyn oedd Black Sands cymryd drosodd. A gallu neud stuff insane o hwnnw. O be dwi wedi glwad.
Ooh, Epic Games.
Yeah. O, be di'r game am ddim ar hyn o bryd? Dwi'n newid ystod GameStop.
Oh my god, hwnna'n adorable.
Na, mae Deathloop, oce.
Mongil?
O, pobl Genshin Impact un.
Nhw'n edrych yn adorable.
That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the packs with the look, you know.
Yeah. Just didn't pronounce our game, like annual game on a Mongol? Mongil?
Yn ofalus.
Yeah. Oh, Splitgate 2. Splitgate 2? I've Splitgate 1 dim on allan, like, recently, have you?
So mae'n drysto rhwng... Edinburgh.
Oh.
Just so.
I took a bullet, I died, I came back.
Os mae'r gêm a dwi'n byth yn chwarae Switch so.
Long story.
Here is another game throwing
Mae hwnna de,
back
ti'n gwybod mae'n costio ar Switch so hyd?
Enter a surreal world where you're a down on his luck outcast who has to battle his inner demons, literally, in this action.
Os ti eisiau prynu Breath of the Wild heddiw de, ar y e-shop de, geisio mynd sy'n gael talu.
Mae'n either mynd i bod really rhad neu really drud.
Di hwn... so... What? If you have Nintendo Switch software... Oh, iawn, oce. Na. So mae'n upgrade path hefyd. Os yw'n fel o blaen, ti'n upgrade o i Switch 2 version, iawn?
Ie.
Mae hwnna $7.99 di'r upgrade yna. Neu, os ti efo Nintendo Online, ti'n cael ddim, oce? Yr upgrade pack. So, cos dwi efo Breath of the Wild a y llall ar Switch, dwi'n cael yr upgrade am ddim, iawn? Ond, os dwi'n ddim efo Zelda, Breath of the Wild neu y llall, Tears of the Kingdom, a dwi eisiau prynu fo heddiw off y GameStop, ond o £67 yr un.
Ouch!
It won't always be so easy.
Our aesthetic game here edrych really nice.
Aye. Well, what a Cuphead.
Yeah.
Mae Yakuza 0 yn cael remaster, yn cael just... Dim hyd oedd o remaster, just bumped up visually bach edition, de. Mae Yakuza 0 yn PS3 game, iawn. A allan y PS3, PS4 yn amser. So mae gynnu fi o fanna, iawn.
Yeah.
Mae'n £45 here ar
Switch. I'm Ian Prue, the co-founder of 1047 Games.
60 quid to Cyberpunk.
Splitgate in our dorm room. We just wanted to make a game we could play with our friends.
Damn.
And 20 million of you played with us. Now, with the help
Wait,
from our amazing community, we've built Splitgate 2. Why? Because I grew up playing Halo. And I'm tired of playing the same Call of Duty every year. And I wish we could have Titanfall 3.
Splitgate Early Access 2019.
Don't we just enwy games eraill?
We asked ourselves, how would we take Portals to the next level?
Ti'n cael hynna?
What if you could portal to entirely different worlds? So we combined the action.
Call of Duty fucking boring, dwi'n Halo rwan. Ang hoffi am y ffeis mae'n fucking Halo allan.
Splitgate Battle Royale launches free right
now. Hwna mwy o jab yn erbyn Halo na Call of Duty.
Hey! And it's fucking awesome, woo.
Yeah, that's a baseball bat.
Splitgate Battle Royale, woo! Oh, methu credit now, Splitgate 1 yn allan 2019.
Splitgate.
Official release, well, Early Access 19, or official release in 2022. Mae'n meddwl rwy'n mwy newydd na hwnna.
Ydw i yn insane, de, am eisiau prynu original Ridge Racer PS1 edition o 1993 ar Switch 2 am 15 quid. Nah, dwi'n mynd o... Nah, not doing that. Not doing that. Oh, bydd y gêm fi chwarae am...
Apparently, like a battle royale yn Trees. Ni'n gallu treat, eh? Yeah. Mae'n ni'n cael ei o. Splitgate.
Yn Epic only.
Probably. Wait, mae'n ar Steam. Splitgate.
Split Fiction, ti'n gwybod dan de? Split Fiction, da chi eisiau chwarae?
Split Fiction?
Ydy'r game to play yna, fatha It Takes Two.
Na, hwnna beth... Na, rwy'n fi'n meddwl am hyn. Like a shooter game of portals.
What? Sorry, dwi'n gwybod yn Google. Switch 2 of it.
Now we are honored to showcase the latest project from the talented minds at RGG Studio in Japan.
So, we're honored. Actually, what? What? He's in the Yakuza.
Yeah.
And who's the virtual fighter there? So. How's this?
We're going to do Shenmue.
Na, dim yn Shenmue, paid â rhegi. Paid â rhegi, dyn nhw ddim yr un peth. Dyn nhw ddim yr un peth, Morgan. Yokohama yna. Oh, they're the 60s. Ooh.
1943.
1943? What? That's it, because when
yeah.
When arcades in the games battle mentioned the full arcade games as well. Ooh, look at that.
Got a name?
Quite at the Yakuza, quite.
Daito. Daito. A Jap then, huh? Don't I look like one? You're not? So, what are you then? Sana. 俺が知りてえや。
Project Century. Stranger than Heaven. Okay.
Oh, so mae ddim yn...
Dio ddim yn Yakuza, ddim yn meddwl. Oedd nhw eisiau'r un dinas, de? Mae nhw'n notorious am ail-iwsio stuff.
Now the full name has been revealed. Stranger Than Heaven, the brand new title from RGG Studio.
Cool.
This time it's now 1943. And
Yes.
RGG, I'm sure more surprises are surely on their way. All right, well, we're almost done here, but we do have
Oh, dwi'n meddwl, cos mae nhw angen rest o Yakuza.
game announcement to share with all of you
Yeah.
who've been waiting.
Ww, ddech
Today
chi'n
we've showcased a lot of projects from teams around the world.
Yeah,
including
mae'n edrych fel
brand
yn
new
right lan y
studios,
street.
and we're proud of that. But this one comes from a studio.
Hynna faint dwi'n licio Yakuza si.
Blockbuster games time and again.
Love it.
When I first got a glimpse at this project last summer, I was absolutely blown away by the scale, scope, and ambition of this developer's vision. And while there are many places, really any place, this game could have been revealed, we are so deeply honored that we get to share it with the world right here at Summer Game Fest.
Half-Life 3. Half-Life 3.
Federal Bureau of Investigation.
FBI. Okay, so dwi ddim yn Control 2, cos dim FBI did Control. Dwi ddim yn PlayStation game, cos mae PlayStation wedi bod yn barod. Gofod bod hollol newydd, yndi? Pwy sy'n neud o, do?
Ooh, graphics.
Yndi. Dwi'n teimlo graphics atha be ydi o.
Grace. Grace.
Dwi'n wedi gweld leaks i hwn. Dwi'n bod yn hogan reit da, ddim yn sbio'r leaks, ddim e.
My office.
O, gwyd am y gyfarwydd.
Coming.
Heb cloi cyfriadur.
Resident Evil, dio. Mae gwyneb i edrych y gem Resident Evil.
This is about the
The
report you
Capcom
asked for
face.
yesterday. It'll
Yeah.
be ready in 3. No, 2 days tops.
Put a hold on that for now. We found another body. One that exhibits the same pathology as the others we've been investigating. Now I need a good technical analyst on this.
Okay.
I need your eyes on the crime scene.
Dwi'n Resident Evil, dys di?
Yeah. One
Mae
of
gwyneb fatha gwyneb
Yeah.
Resident Evil.
I know.
Yeah.
That's where your mother was murdered. Alyssa died 8 years ago. Perhaps it's time for you to face the past. Grace.
O, dim Silent Hill, dio. Na, mae'n kind of barod, do.
I'm sure.
Stay close.
I know now that you're the one that I've been searching for. The special one. The chosen one. Miss Ashcroft.
Ooh, Ashcroft.
Investigating all these strange deaths, huh?
I don't think we would know Ashcroft.
Yeah, dwi'n gwybod Ashcroft o.
Please know that you are my hope.
Everyone's gone.
Oh. Raccoon.
O, ie, ie, so Resident Evil, dio.
On Resident Evil.
So Resident Evil 9? O'n i'n just deud am y gwyneb hi. Gwyneb
Yeah.
fel asgyn games Capcom i gyd, ydw fe. Mae'r injan yna'n reid gwyneb fel ei bobl.
Yeah. Nice.
Requiem. Requiem.
Ooh, February.
Yeah.
Cool.
There you have it. Resident Evil Requiem.
Mae pobl sy'n licio Resident Evil yn lyfio
This August at
Resident
Gamescom, we're
Yeah.
also hosting
Weird on a
Opening Night
first
Live
person
on Tuesday,
shooter,
August
one day.
19th. Resident Evil Requiem marks a bold shift for the franchise, both in tone and gameplay, and today's reveal isn't just about survival
Indeed.
horror. Expect high-stakes cinematic
Indeed.
action too, with much more to share soon, leading up to its launch on February 27th, 2026. Amazing. Thank you, Capcom. That was an amazing
Woo!
announcement.
That's exciting.
Nes i chwarae 7.
Yeah.
A nes i cyrraedd yr ystol. A wedyn nes i stream horror.
Rydym ond wedi chwarae... Is it Biohazard mewn VR? Rydym actually heb chwarae game hwnna normally.
Okay, all right. Well, there's much more Summer Game Fest to come. Make sure to visit summergamefest.com to see a listing of all the digital events this weekend. You can watch
Rwan,
the
sa
highlight even
E3
more
yn
games,
dechrau, ie.
including the Xbox Game Showcase on Sunday. And stay tuned online to see coverage of many of the playable games at Summer Game Fest Play Days that's taking place this weekend in
At
LA.
least the E3
And
now,
make sure
video.
to stay tuned for Day of the Devs, which is coming up next with additional new reveals from incredible independent studios around the world and deeper looks at some of the independent games we showcased today. Thanks so much, everyone.
Awesome, and thanks to you, Lucy. Great job co-hosting. All right, that's going to do it for Summer Game Fest. We will see you at Gamescom on August 19th. Thanks, everybody.
Good. Well, good.
What a good bunch of reveals.
Good bunch of reveals.
Yeah.
You go. Hold on. Dwi'n to ffidio ros efo list of games.
Oh, really cool. Lots. Oh my god, hold on, it's loud. Oh!
Whoa!
Jesus, we're fan mynd really uchel. My god.
Yeah.
Really pobl yn y pobl yn chat like loud, loud.
Fel fel. Ie, fel arfer mae gen nhw crap. Fatha, go to Steam or go to Epic for this now. Ond oedd yn byd fel la, wan.
No.
A Alli cael Resident Evil...
I guess Splitgate, hwnna'n un sydd ti'n gallu lawr lwyth o'n awr a chwarae, I guess. Battle Royale mode. Ei, nos da, Morgan. Nos da.
Nos da, Morgan. Splitgate poster. O, allan 20 second o me. Wedi'r 26 gigabytes.
Be, Splitgate?
Splitgate is the only free-to-play shooter with portals.
Whoa.
It's a weird product.
Got portals.
Portals. Ooh, so we can chwarae Portal 2. 2 players, sy'n cool i ddod. Ie, dwi'n mynd o dangos Pragmata, game newydd Capcom, ond gath o dangos o PlayStation thing do. So, in a sense. So, mae'n lot o stuff ar sale, da. Mae'r Resident Evil games gyda sale. Gei di Resident Remake 2, 3 a 4 am £33 wan. Gei di Resident Evil 7 a 8 am £16.49 wan. Okay.
Wait, Splitgate 2 yn allan nawr?
Yndi, dwi'n gwybod, dwi'n downloadio hwnna beth.
Okay. Okay, sorry, remember if Splitgate 1 oedd yr un oedd yn allan nawr? Dwi'n sylwi if Splitgate 2 yn allan nawr.
Out now. Be di Splitgate 2? 1. Dwi'n rhaid i chwarae Splitgate 1? Splitgate. Mwys i rhaid chwarae Splitgate na dda.
Snapping ground? What does that mean? I'm glad you asked. Picture this.
Oh, dwi di pre-order o'r DLC now efo i Robocop.
O, ni'n gweld fideo hwnna.
Yeah. Mae'n edrych da. Mae'n basically like full expansion.
Old school expansion.
Yeah. Robocop Rogue City unfinished business. I really enjoy Robocop game.
Ti di goffa Robocop?
Yeah, fi'n gorffen e. Mae'n really, really da.
Cool.
I really enjoy it. Dwi'n ti'n like teimlo fel Robocop, you know?
Yeah.
Rwy'n ddim yn fel like... Like loads of games, like superhero games, ti'n like artificially limit o'r hero 2, ti'n like, oh, we're cael lot of powers ar y dechrau.
Yeah.
Ond mae'n like a game hwnna, na, ti'n Robocop. Ti'n smash o
bobl. Ddim bod dim sydd o cychwyn.
Yeah, ti'n just cryf o'r cychwyn, ti'n gallu, like, ond ti yn, like, mynd lan ar mae'r enemies yn mynd yn galeta. Like, mae ddim yn teimlo fel ti'n underpowered. Sy'n nice. Oh, hwnna'n really cool. Good stream.
Good, yeah, hwnna'n...
Yeah.
Mae'r video gamescape yn edrych yn addawol.
Mae yn. Mae yn. Y game ei cool yn dod.
Ie, bydd oedd yn famau fi wan.
Ie, mae'n mynd i gorffen y stream ar Twitch ffona. Diolch am gwylio pawb, ac ymuno yn y chat. Ac, ie, gobeithio bod pawb yn excited am y game sy'n dod. Roi lawr yn y comments ar YouTube. Pa game ti'n edrych ymlaen i sy'n dod a popeth fel yna. Ie. Fel chi gyd yn y stream nesaf.
Ideal.
Hwyl fawr.
Ra.